me dofopa me maache anaha anajo baby I will be out yourself and anyina me a wotie me ne ene anape anawie na nyimre ediam je so ya wo somfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego edwumabi a ya wo hwe eye enkransensem unim se abrabo a yebu no ye wo hintasem a eye tumi a ekura wo eye tumi kakraka aka wo hu se tumi no sunsanso a abrabo be de ne be ye boko jojojo no akodu baby awoko medical kire se abrabo pa bia wo akwansede hwe emra nyankopon epa Israel for film exam odo wonko asase a ewo ene empo sebe aduane pawu so no obehia akwanside bebere ebini sai ebini pokoko a wotwaye ebini Jordan afesu ensu a wotwaye ebini Jericho afesu obuguye ni nyina akwanside enna wa sorry eba no sika semu wa brabom wa dwumam wa wadie mu a wo ensu kokko bi eda wani ma ese wotwa wo Jordan ensu bi ese wo fam enna wo Jericho afesu bi wani ma ese obubu no na de kwa me kana saa no amen kana se Jordan afesu said that Joshua for etwa mu na obetwa no. There's a Jordan river in your life that could be your thinking pattern. There's a Jordan river in your life that could be the way you believe about things. There's a Red Sea in your life that could be the actions of people and your situations. But don't worry. The secret to discovering the power you have to turn things around or make all things become possible is that your life is helplessly at the mercy of your mindset. The secret to discovering the power you have to turn things around or to make all things become possible is that your life is helplessly at the mercy of your mindset. Mindset is a collection of the information, the knowledge, and the things that drive you to do and not to do what you do. Your mindset. Adwene po. Enen susuye. En Kenya ni nkuransha egu adwene pro so no. Mini me biado ko. Wa wono se na ano asam to wo no. Abrabo de mabre, mayaya mabre, e mindset na de ye no. Sasam kona to obi, o say, "Hey, we di am desaba. Me pa no aduro no mahuri abo atra." Ejoni pa bia wa dwene mu suahunu. Ensusue ni nyansa wa kwego wa dwene pro so no. Eno ena ye de ma otumi, e ma otumi gina babo no ana odwane abrabo. At any given point in time, you can alter your life by altering the attitude of your mind. At any given point in time. About Timasasa, means person me cancer be. But minim cratch be a neja or a man makumaku eduno 20 women neja. What kind of protocol say ne papa ni promiscuous ana or polygamous. And you know be end as one say cratch in the obeying because you know penny a worry say enum. Then you are a penny actually by worry nsia na akono. Onu sinkete se oba bare baako. The sadwe mpono a sebe eda ne papa timu a onuanom fa no onu sinkete se obesesa. Oware baako kosimra one yere tra ba mfie aduasa. Ansa onu oja ne yere ho aka nchinagu. Ewumu se busua kwan bi wa ya fa so. Ewumu se oman wo kwan bi afa so. Bibia nkyere se wuntimi sakra mu e ma wonfa kwan foforo so. Ba nyina beto abrabo a say ya na no na ye di akiri there be you were made unique. Hwe ohene hwe mehene hwe waso na hwe maso woda soronko ni kire se enye suban nyina na abeto ya se wodi akiri suban be boa me no ebi ebe ha na na metie oba pa kristo se dukura me no munsuo a menya nkwa no obi no mu a okopo owo ese nyo obi abrabo ehwe so bibura na nye bebi obi fa ye kope nkwa na be fa anya nkwa Tia na wankasa wasin kete bi san say me ametiwe kwan ben so na memma nyimde nyansa ne so ehunu adokro madwen na mapede ameye medi akire me hwe obi awade so enware me hwe bi abrabo so emmobra me hwe obi TV program enhwe TV program medam pinidie suehunu ni nyansa betwa na muntuo ma menya ha na me mfa nchi akese nkoma Miami production team eja weba Mark Priscilla oba hofe baako ena Richmond Bema Gram fefefe ena eja weba Campeduko ni abrantie ena Empos Moses or sound ene camera for any sound MCR lighting floor manager obi a obo adwumadi ba wo nchen bia kame ho ne na ase ewa Adom TV kosoa na hwe bojam dwumadi na miri nyankopon ejawo
Yama munyina wache emra bedwam esobre ewiedi se ensema odro yaboa no ene anope besomo ese bedwam kase na ensema de eba ne edi wakotre bi ene se abanso afohwe akonto nsem so atebedwokom sie yenhwemu ene sakraye efa kwan a okadafo di odwuma ewo oman emu saso na labone senior high school ya eja etom nso no sem no kase contractor ko ya wahase emu odwuma na dmofo so ede adoye de akoma school no we ni semudo bi na no pai ere somo ese bedwam kase medin de akwasi ensia fensem no echire monie abanso afo ya wo hwe oman akonto wo ensem so no nyafo Joseph Bukari opani atebedwoko bi se sabedwoko no enya sakramu ene hwemu fa kwan a okadafo du odwuma se na be ya betumi amambra no emu aye de ata odwumadi a wodi no echi
abronso afo a ono na hwe ahyen enyuma so eye transport Joseph Bukari nikpe epa committee a womo ebehwe ayemu sakremu emra a ebema eye omanfo etimi etwi eye moto no odi tudwase sanhihye eyade a ebeboa pa ma omanfo enya enyuma aye emebunu no na omo besen enya eye entitie so aka ho.
I said that we made a promise that we're going to amend the law that prohibits the use of motorcycles and tricycles for commercial purposes. So that is the portion of the law we are going to look at to review it and allow the use of motorcycles and tricycles to be able to operate as a fee-paying service in the transport industry. We are looking within a period of 3 weeks for them to do all the stakeholder consultations, for them to bring all the ideas and the suggestions that will facilitate the amendment of the LI 2180 so that we will get our young people who are desirous to use motorcycles and tricycles to earn a living engage in that enterprise.
Bese na kakra bi ntemnie ana manebo beto dwase wode wani kire Labone Senior High School ojatana bi ato school nim amajapade ahye enye asemkuma eka bi ma ban so afo hweman edison ensem so omanyafo Haruna Edusu eboana eko school nim adona kasa di kohwe sene ohaw ato adesuafo ene school nim penefo ede afa ena amene okasai contractor behwe etimi esiese school no be ahodo a ehye no epenfo akanetiko amana kosi school mu ahase ene adwuma sanso ana torenche mboa anymeku mechire National Disaster Management Organization NADMO epenfo so di adoye akoboa school no
Aboagye Senior High School eja oto ha onamdo ama guest dormitory ohyewe Minister of Education ba ha beka de ohwe de enumanimu ya obesiesie dan no nampa contractors aba site a wohwe na wasiesie dan no ama maframa no wetum eye bebi was wetira to nde Deputy Education Minister Clement Park oni nadmofo damanso na Regional Minister Greater Accra Regional Minister wabaha nzama bi beche school fu na wanzama ahyew no da daminsam yezi
but the one here say ye be siesie dormitory no na enkwara no o ma san akom dormitory ye be boy homoden se de be ya o mbe wie dormitory no ntentem yera se de be o mbe sa be dormitory
nadmo director another nadmo boss no so ze two go there se hweza wa ba na enimenimu ya nadmo ahombo a waye ya wazereba za boss na asen no ono na wazabe
an immediate action. And so we try to quickly organize ourselves, and what we have on hand today is what we have brought to help the school bring some relief to the affected students. It doesn't mean that it is the end.
Greater Accra Regional Ministers to go there say shares a wa kodna oyaza na soye no rohwe na watoto nzama amada no etum asan ebegina ne na.
But our priority is to make sure that the building is back to accommodate the student. And so you can see that the contractors are on site to make sure that inside.
Headmistress order Laboni Senior High School anu Mrs. Akolo the two go there.
Ye mania mana bia e hye ye ne nyina no omo di bia brɛ yen. Enti de pese ye kan se ye da omo ase nyame hira ye nyina na fi ne ya ye be choro ho se ya na ya start achicha ma ye manom ama omo ho adwodwo omo kakra adesua ne de e hyase afide no da
ya ma asem no so e be ko de asem na chiri ne ya ma adom ahwefo na tiefo wona so ate kojo mensa abrampa na menze
Enka de mrahye bedwani ma de hye wo dom kwabenya abato mpesua so eye Sara Ajuasafo emranimni waba bonte de betudwa se abra na apreapre ekoso ma hye fiem efase ebaji yilevi atum anase enyentum no de na dwinsi osi enyina ne se yilevi no ne de ahoyehia baga na fo so nti wan tachire de biada
kwa me regret ba kun I will never yilevi aye de bomb charge yilevi oh yilevi ban yentobo na aban pese yenjije nipa manfo a ewo Ghana say bia wo ye momo bank to online banking that kind of niamano electronic transactions
sure
ne baaye no anhyehyeye ne baaye no esoro ho no ye mu bi no ne yesusu say emwa Ghana.
You had that personal conviction.
Exactly. So
say 11
emwa yen esan say me baby ami me fi any baby ayetete me papa ofri grass and wako grace mu
okay
just ofri him and nyame aye no defo ene oba yen so no ne ode atete yen ne asore no ginafo eye charity eye se eboa ehiafo ye boa onibiefo inyanka na sebe minua me se na me hu 11 ni se me nam kwan na me hu on to body ko fibrokman je so he body ni nyina na egu ho no wo boa no ko enu 500 Ghana obi me dwete 100 na watoto a o se me maami wo ekura me sendi sika akoma no okotena so no o sendi kakra na wanya na ne yatin na
we so ene begina anopai samodro a yede besomo ese badwam kase no aha ene de nyina ebesie yeda aba yeba agode mu yeda bokata mu nsam eno chinspound yo online portals outdoor yebekenkan enso ede ama meka se ene sika o sika on badwam no yede ehye asienti ne live draw ene de ebro 3000 Ghana cedis 3000 Ghana cedis etini obe nyina ne se dial *281 hash *281 hash no select option 4 unya duru na select Adom TV ni wi a wo de twagum saa dodo bi a pa bia twagum saa ba ko bi a betwa bi 5 Ghana cedis twagum saa eti kejua e de agokansie no e ba na wi yi a ye be first live draw 1000 Ghana cedis 1000 Ghana cedis first live draw 1000 Ghana cedis asem dika e be ba na wi yi de second live draw be brom and so 1000 Ghana cedis na for man de pensem so ba na wi yi a ye de last draw eso abro nti 3000 Ghana cedis no ya chemiensa ba ko fo betimi edi obi aso betimi edi ba ko na jan na weekend yo de akwa hwene how far eti kai say short code here *281 hash *281 hash select option 4 na twagum esa fako eti anopaye live draw e bo wakwa bia live draw e bo wakwa nya 3000 Ghana cedis ene eche na anopaye e obedwam so eti nyiwa fidie emfira na wakwa akomese uwi ni yaso ni afram obi e sampa onu odi nkodim ya wonya first 1000 Ghana cedis ya da nwaba e ba beto so yesa makwa babiem emfa emra badwam eso ebre we say ye de the wakata mu ensem no ebeto aso e de amount say afi no aba bekan ho a ye de enkranhyesem aba ye de badwam kase aba ne edru so yesbawdo a eba the wakata awodo no emu kom ne eba de wi a na afi yakọ online yakọ adomonline.com adomonline.com na ensem so a ho so no ye den so ato musmani ye chia wona ewo fosu radio nyina ne mo amagebre ATA ewo fosu radio se mo nyina so akwa aba se wagebre na odo afidie ato fosu radio na otie Oma hine kwabena asante abeka eza oma bako de
well bibia bako hamiadom bibia kama na it's just to maybe tell ourselves how some of these intelligence units no mkoso ye adwuma no it's not the best for us as a country. We need to improve it. I'd say if you do me, I'll do you continue, you know? And you're careful. And you're careful how all these things are being done. Because the other, as you can diagro, would you and China and Canada conform our wakofana or they comes and cows them. What I mean to tell you is that today, where you sit, where I'm standing, me nyina hasa ebetwem ti nyoma bia me ye wa ha bia no esese me hwe se e won sunsun so da bi me nkosi mitrase meti mapagya meti biri da hwe ni panim ti de wo ye bia no that's what you need to think of se ade a wo ya na mo a wo tu kasa wo ka ne ya wo da na di no e won sunsun so no e be kwa kosisen it's very important se kwa me nkroma ni hobi Rollins ni hobi a champion ni hobi buzi ni hobi you know President Kufo ni hobiem na na do so ni hobiem sa pepepe jo mama enche ru so ni hobiem it is attitude we no na kra enche omu ni hobiem a na wo ya pone kakra ma o se wo ye NIB panyu ana wo ye agric minister ana wo ye fake ni ana wo no na wo ye central ni o ma hene kwa benazan na wo mo betwam ko ebi ni me yeah so dia wo ye bia no you have to look at the positives when you are not on the seat again. You don't necessarily have to be a politician. The way bia wa braba wo bom. So you fitani, no be in the car be see ho na ho kire nti wonti meye in the car no. Obi ba na wo two parts ni bi. Now the service you be car. The way bia no. The way bia is very important. Tell any obi ayire no akoto reze papa bi di aba. Onipa ni delay what you can man meje na tade and to be here as a papa na that show we are not going to fake e dia kwasha de wo ye bia e da wanim to man chichire na ye di agro na ye ya manyo sem ye ye if you do me I'll do you na central for kontompo ni ntro ni nada ni atenye na yes so na ye den na obi di bone kra ye se enye bone na we ye bi na we ye se sa pepepe se e be kan ba na kan ofa na kan ma me a wo se na ade na ye koso nye papa de wo ye bia o ade bia wo ye bia wo ye doctor wo hu so obi ti wanim ko yare o tie so na ogina phone so na wo kan yi alcohol last weekend ene na for party koso sai o man ne ye chichire sa no se no yes so ne ma so sa konkonti ba obeya aponkyere ni wi a mo bia complain o man chichire na ne de kono to twande wo dwom na so bi so oto banchia na oto watermelon na watermelon nipa na chia ne ho yi sika na ma na ba bia profa na wa mo ahwere bom na de ma o man chichire na no o na ada obi a o debi posterity so nyina no reba yeso we station master discover service station o de oji ya na o de di before na de tawle gu kom o man ni chichire na no ye ko ye nza ma ye chibi it is empesa me catch on say enfo nyoma ensem fata so nyoma ensem fata enfo so nyasa ebe yiwa nkasa tie na wo interior minister wo ye hwan defense minister ye kan se no ase ye di agro ebe ti wani so say wine na so interior ne bibia ye yef de se dan pareko ana meboa yes ti ya careful they make no e komo obia including me am gina me to atwe o ye centuroni o dia ne se wo baboa mo man ne chechire no through kasa any investigation no kuremu etima ye adwuma oni ye no bibia be kona kom pepepepe ba wo de also nya sa wo de trodi na hunu nipa jijiska sa fast no hunu wa jijiska koso also yes Anthony wo de answer hunu nipa blackmail nipa essay nipa din obi abrabo abo nyina na de pen ne paper any one no way now they be jwa keka na watuna atwene baby koso eti misra ade ba ko asese wo hye otim se nantwie nankasa okoba nankasa podua na eye ne dia no anka ne tu enti wo kra na wo no wakofa na wo no odi kom oye be ma koso oye na oni ahemfo ma wu. The only difference is that ye Christo na idi nechi no owuye osayede sorry na we koso
na mestre transport minister Martin so say services start we start to towing cars.
Yeah,
yes, whatever the situation of say services are in here
okofa towing cars ma ba
ma ya hwe ya ye begie ni so ma ni pampempem mawu ansa na se bia gina ba so
say wo de wo no onyame adom umu de mo fa wiem hyen enti mo mo kokuma ase mo kota krade ye de nam fom ya ba be ka takrade kwan so kuma ase kwan so iframantem kwan so infinimantem kwan bibia di adanse se ye tu anamon se e de sa towing service ba ya kwan so 24 hours ai di amanyo sem ko for na esa ko ka se e Ghana ni bi na wo capacity
ti ye be ko atia
abususem no e Ghana ni na wo capacity se obetimi aboa ye wi acheni we didn't provide any solutions e bia okay dem fa mani pa ba ko bia region bia no ye be chiche mama nipa hodo nyina nyam do aso bia so and ye jar sa because amanyo sem ye yentino. That's it, and we are all happy. But every blessed day so you bia wo bre a wo di tu kwan a wo fa fom na wo fa wiema these things are all come because I agro no
we say na kwhwe N1 so traffic light na se pair and along vehicle ba ko bia see and me see from enura edumre
na say what
and street lights no so say anya
and no crowd member was say greater Accra minister because on jai no we are tired with 50 days Accra lights be come here now we can hear the go here then unim the okaka mo ba and just say 100 days 50 days 70 days because we don't hold you responsible you can't some such rain baby dwa num 50 days bibia be kokama na me sha say kwam refi say ade na na su sika ye be che this can ho che na me nkan bi na bi ho ya na me me didi anya me fa mbone che or star 281 hash option 4 now if you what try as many as you can and 5 Ghana cedi into the make no the change na say akwasi be chebi kejuwa be chebi mesu me chebi into na no botom no ebe unfortunately akati mini akwasi ya kati every line it track from farmer it is star 281 hash option 4 now if you unya sa option bia sika no ticket bia 5 Ghana cedi it's obetwa 3000 no obetwa 9000 no obetwa 5 cedis so utri ufie ya anope we ya ebesu 1 2 3 na ode kono
3000 do ekofia no pay ya
3000
nipa ba ko betimi edi nipa mi asa betimi edi nipa mi no beti 3000 Ghana cedis.
All right, so ya ka say na mun ko so ntwa be first draw na nche beba some of what we do the atem de bre my ho kwan na afia ba online so de bre my ho kwan it's a full bouquet because I go can see I sepe afia semedica and pensemu ya de ebro ya da so Ghana month nim e mare fi nuane ahodo ya che osisi ye no e wo han mi se ye wie nso esa bo akiri ko ade no wa mbo akiri be kan sisem te no adako we se ye bo akiri etwifa ye me kama ti ze oti mekonni ayi ni nemu aburo ni bibia ni nemu kama uwi ya na de nso guso a utimi save be 5 cities because anu ayi shikakra ebe mo abonsuo mo aboa a lot of camera guys sound guys so Ghana man tie ba bebre lansika o ma choko no for the evening service the job the code dinner in some of the work at them they bring my 2025 budget inspirational Isa states calls for proper implementation mpanyimfo a won wo Isa adwumako no no won say there be 2025 aban sika se monto tue ne ni suade ho de bre nyame ani nikure nie emu da ho yie ba na mum de aka ene kwan e be fa so a e de be di edwuma ma ho aban fa so e de aman make prison service transformative centers present to new prisons officer and our boss no man pay all the 2 mikra tema ne prison adwumakuo no on pay in pa no ka say the mananya bia sonko nipa binya nsachirae de afiri wona barabom ene omo ne ye ho na afi enkonkan iye pa. Ghana records annual shortfall of 33,330,000 units of blood. Moja ikura no ho kanana. Moja twe no so ho kanana. Moja twe kane no willingly ube wona weekend bia na kuo bi na situation bi na they say obi e ni ati. Obi so yare obi super moja. Moja twe very important name because first me ko be sa chapter of moja sem na ba. They di moja twe eye wo man we mu a. And two word ade no say etite no and two word da. Unti de course na sinti e kan na afia say when you na mo so kra mo ka say o de two na wo yam moja. You understand where we are coming from. Daily graphic. A great budget tools and say yaka 1.5
billion, yeah.
A Greek. Sika di ma Greek aban we. Na ni so ade hunu afi we. 1.5 billion na ko e binim dia. E binim hu ni mfaso ba akokora. Nya se mfaso se kora. The mfaso dia no for now
as compared to a Greek.
Yes.
Yes.
Nam dia
ma a Greek 1.5.
Nam dia the delegates mu na mo kasa Francis Achira aba eya asojafo kuma e manfo guso kasa ohon mu mbrem ho ase because whether brigadier na akotra 2-star or 3-star or lieutenant general or mine ne mampanyin na pamfo me gidi se omo botai se etosin a ese omo sunya kasa kire sa mpanyinfo yes a sa mpanyinfo na yesu mo magu nchenza no omo su nimdi omo wo bambo ho for man Ghana mo no se nyame anka o makoma omo betimi edio akwasi sem ne do so ti botima ko
etiem ko Adom online eti uhwa virtual judo na afa enura enkomodia ya Philippo Seboso ne Sarah Joseph edie ewe kosi se so ba ko edika se Joseph se nipa no ahye nose mask oba amra hye film wo na ano a ehu chi wa hyo ba wo se ampa na ye ono a na no wawo na wa ye kase tina na manfo bi ene ya fa no so sa ne mo ono akasa ene ba amra hye film wo no Joseph ko ne be wo se nkugo di ye odom kwa benya MBB privacy no nipa bi na hye chire boss apo no ese Masara Joseph edisa entwenom eno no ko ya no secretary sikalo sa hinkra de CV MPP pa dem ye ka wona to aba editi a Michael Kwe abra no open speaker biem no na mo buru mienu ya ma for den nam so mo buru mienu ejira nam so bi ma ye ka kire kalo sa hinkra se trauma ye kenkan sa abato na ye o mto ba che yefimu anim gwase be ka MPP no enya rekete no di mirika kofa ballot papers ni bi o wi ye ntie ma ni nyina ebutu ye no Joseph si ye kwa wi achi yi no ese Deputy Majority Leader na fe na kunya kosi akire kwase na fe no waba mra che fie foforo timpanfo afo oboni die amfa aman ye o se no odi hu ya ye pa kopeso kan ya sabi abotoyem etimba ampanfo etimi bem sa so kiri to abla kwanso ena akomende India for so abato mo to yenso no bibia etimi ye asomdwe mu etiadomonline.com ensema wodo bebre wo ehod mo ise oba benya bebre na akenkan na Oma como ya. Como ya. Como. Oma como ya. Che adia nipa empre no ho enya eye aduane. Umia makomo ne ye ho sa. Como ya. Ekomokrom etina meka se ne ma etore bia manage sa budget ho ye se epeboa mesika ba krom na o ma henya bia watimi ma kwasensia bi kwase ne word of onsem eno de ma
na ebi ne wo you come on
that is it
never see ya eberetia ye ko.
Right, fantastic morning. So I'm not sure good evening. Some network so say bejo kansi and opay pasa na Franco Trading Enterprise that yes ya kon in some right there bro. Na Franco dey tom study aso kra Franco ton aye phone ahodo dey amon awie no more CCTV cameras na face wa ma aye fridge. Ama TV kakraka pass and the account and of course bibia open dan mu niam na dey say Franco akofo nyina be go say chepo a omo ka che na say wo de wo ho Adom na utimenya be na paso francotrading.com website call 40% discount Play Store App Store download the app no dey say niam easy nya de bia na say ofa ka akra call mo shop with matna dem no out of Franco omo niam ni bi na omo de abrel ewo efie Franco Foke one pair ba Bernard Padibo Chemi producer yana wakaide na nkasa kan kejuana were kase du bodi enti atesi kwene mu no ye be hya se atwa si kakra o yana mo man so ansa na ya ba fie na no Michael Antonio mabrante kunya accident bi a ye ka se bo kra den ka wo mobiem ne ade ade a ne wo den samo tudwa se accident no e fara ni so se show as we be 30 seconds. Mo say no wu na ne gene ni mo no and na be na cast won timi ensia kan be say na car no e say ye pa the tudwa say body o e den a was some back abesia kan e dem West Ham United. Right, yeah, yeah. Michael Antonio in some order to a journal to him say yes, Judy said, a form one I said to na wet, and I said from us Bokakra, and I said she panya or the Koshimun, and it's also I want to what about Koshimu, and yan. But World Cup qualifiers, a bit basso, or Chinabi basso weekend is with Jim and easy. Chanasumame, Sir Eswatini in Cameroon, and a day born in Liberia, and Tunisia, na Central African Republic, and Madagascar, and the Abweni, and only games of Basso, so Group D, Group H, Group I, then send it Friday, the end of the no be any woman, say the Black Stars of Ghana, you bet to me Archer Chad, now Chad for a Wanjuba. See bit my scene to me and second training session at Basso, or the Accra Sports Stadium. Now, Coach Otoado, a full squad, or the year training, and Henry Asante Chum, the Kasama the Ghana Football Association.
I'm in charge. I'm the Kyei Mensah. Now, me up the one, and then you ever try training also. I was at Accra Sports Stadium, 5 p.m. And the hour will be more intensive in terms of tactical drills and game plan for Ifiada. Okay. That is what we are hoping for. So we are a bit and also maybe have a Kuye between a Naya and Fiada so that we can have a good match. With the exception of Elisha Pulu out, Amayede Lawrence, even Lawrence has also arrived.
Right, so I don't know Henry Asante Chum update to the man so be how training be siako and behind closed doors cry you got to kakra near mo send preparations there ahead of that game against Chad and Franco Trade Enterprise can hold but can with the member of parliament ma Brekum West honorable Texan Kwabnache and now to Black Stars game against Chad and more share expectations and yes due to Michelle Chad.
So I think it's a positive sign looking at the numbers, having a full house training today on day 2. Personally, I believe it's a full house, looking at how even the supporters were gearing up and hoping that the Black Stars will change the results they had in the AFCON qualifiers. We know that Oto has 2 wins in the World Cup qualifiers against Mali and Central African Republic, so hopes are high.
A lot of players have reported to come. We've seen newbies like Alexander Jiku, Inaki Williams, Jordan Ayew, the captain of the side. They've all been here. We've seen some training those with Benjamin Asare as the fans are calling for him to be the starter on the day.
And so, Member of Parliament, Dema Brekum West, Honorable Texan Kwabena, Chere Stuttgart, not in some air to ja Sanono. Now, ya kind of Sanono, ya draw. I made Chosika and Sanamako. I see Kosika star 281 hash. Now, was selected option 4, and we are Adom TV, not Machuska. It is our take when you feel story, you feel maybe Naska Santato. But could be a 5 Ghana series. And see Fakakregum. 5, 10, 20, 100, 200. But oh, Chabigum na on number no and no so mahini mu. Iti ya diense wuremu machine nunumwa na tibako ba. O number does unti minya easy. Hope you understand. Yes. Yeti and MHS kapa o sika so ni ade. But ya tiesi Mountain so ne Ghana for akasa. Ebisa Ghana for se Black Stars game against Chad no. Omo hone saying.
So I think it's a positive sign looking at the numbers, having a full house training today on day 2. Personally, I believe it's a full house, looking at how even the supporters were gearing up and hoping that the Black Stars will change the results they had in the AFCON qualifiers. We know that Oto has 2 wins in the World Cup qualifiers against Mali and Central African Republic, so hopes are high.
A lot of players have reported to camp. We've seen newbies like Alexander Jiku, Inaki Williams, Jordan Ayew, the captain of the side. They've all been here. We've seen some training deals with Benjamin Asare, as the fans are calling for him to be the starter on the day.
Right, so I know the fans need to be kind after training. I don't want some so air Babwam Sunday. As I'm saying, ahead of the game against Chad, saying Black Stars a group on a CTA. Interested in Black Stars group on a CTA na Yanquenim. And on our screen, Moko Piemo say yes, groups are holding Obia standings and they go screen this on Ghana at 9 points. Comoros and also elite group Nanya some Keto Akrantewe and the Sunny and 7 so AC at in the standings of Obia or qualify Obia about 4 games. Now to say yes, more to go. Sabe which me qualify, see me qualify and running Krabia and a betcha and the what group will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 in a group. There are about 10 games, 6 more games to go. And Sana Kwambia so me qualify call a home and away and you bebo near receive to me. I qualify at the Akko Yanimwa. Ghanaian Premier League and midweek or a midweek, you know, AC at here. Yes, and that midweek or more as a book and be chim at the Prim Soyas and Ketuakra and the young apostles now Santeco Toconebo Samates and me Dima Ebebo na Afi Bichim United House of Folks and American Cano and Bashake Wally Stars, the Gold Stars, Bricum Chelsea and Swatterman, Heart of Lions, and the Dream Selfsy Nation Selfsy Adriana Stars, Legon Cities and Vision FC. We and Sunny games in the city and the PMBiano, you want Sunday because of a Black Stars game in Tiama Premier League game, we know Amana is something which is there, but still, Yemfa and Camille Crowds of Okubona Kotoko Ba, Naka Sotimus, a Koye Pa, a better the resource at the Abro. And to say, refer to Inosa, or rugby more on the Abona Baswa to Abamano as the new president of the Ghana Rugby Football Union for the next 4 years. A former board member or no ejina ese ko pre no resu bi ne ba be pre no na chese kwan bia so no bia ma na no na ejina so right bet Mensah and na rugby odi ani mo nei wakokopi mu Africa rugby ntesa ye pe Ghana president nei mami and atumi age or ye member of the women's advisory committee for Rugby Africa after ye to abama no ne nsem a odi tu dwani.
I'd like to thank the Almighty God for making this day very possible and to thank all the people here today who grace these occasions. You have federations, you have countries, you have World Rugby and Rugby Africa representative. And to my team, I call them team because we are going to tirelessly work together to make sure that Ghana Rugby is well represented. And so today, I'm happy and proud of all of us, not myself. And I'm very humbled that today, these stakeholders of Ghana Rugby made the decision to elect not only myself, but the other board members to be able to run the affairs of Ghana Rugby Football Union.
Right, Ghana new rugby president and ordained some to Jarafa to Inusa. Yes. Now, you get a draw for and then you'll be winning on Shannon Sumame, Franco Trading Enterprise, phone Papa Fee, Franco Trading Enterprise, phone Papa Fee, or more I can want to pay now, yet and some no at the airpie. So, Play Store, App Store, download the francotrading.com on my website, where this can Google bottom, and I say Pokrano, where I know I told you now 40% discount. So, Sikano, now what TV can crash or go to not only Carabiato. It's a strategic. Oh, yes, or Toto. Now, the countdown in it, when they win it. Na what they are saying about to TV. So this guy can go bottom. So you try. Can now and a roll you know one number never toss one number never toss king one number. I mean can be come number better so can peg bang. Why ye? Me aso ba kuma me na 00 dey nyo bia number. 00 dey nyo bia number me hu bia e pese friend na betuma 00 ofra enko ofra 000 enko. We am sure. That be di Vim, baby. Star 281 hash. Now select option 4. 5 Ghana city, 10 Ghana city, 20 Ghana cedi 25 30 na udiska ade go bottom say enya draw no ntem na fe ehu sane sika na be kɔ ne ho na ya hwɛ sane ɛno so wonsam esi etie live ɛwɔ Adom TV yego so gyina mu a na hyɛ nsoma me sɛ de be pi mo Black Stars bia no ye de be bro de kan bo mu kakra but no the ish say obi a bisa sɛ chari bit ma hyɛ bɔ na kanya aboa bi ana kyɛ aboa bi awia nka chat enhyɛ da nye ye match bia aha but ja ese niema nkoye ese niema nkoye kura na kesado ne sɛ so esi etie kedwa na kasa ne arekase de bwari Bernard Padi botwa me producer koso ha bedwam ye wie pɛ afia ma kwatama kro de apom de won sama etoa so na de akaba koso ha bedwam
Mame mu akwa benen so Adom TV bedwam health tips so medi de afia amankwa tamaklo aha na edi nkomo 5 minutes ye nche kura bi okura nu 5 no kura na ye kɔ sɛ be ya benya ho akomo nyuma ahodo so because you go say nkwa no munya time ntenase tie de ato am weekdays 5 minutes o hwe wo dware nkura no na wo fa ho na wo tie ohu ebeboa ye nyina tie ye we ntem anka na yare bebre abafom ya doctorfo ne ya nursefo ye do mo ase na menya ho abetena doctor animu by this time ka obehu no abre nso no matse niema bebre asinti ye de apomuden no abenye nti wo tie bi pe na wo hunu niema bia na watu ana mo hospital Dr. Makudua ene de di nkomwe dog na se na se dia wo ka kro e de na wo se ehu signs and symptoms no se bi wo so a sunsun so be e na wo de behu
enti se mo ana wo modi kan ba wo mu a ya de mienu no betimi akọ so inda so on be cause so acute infection acute no obi ha mu nya bia within 6 months no body need to make cure mo ana so obenya chronic infection but wo nya acute infection no kra no emu be 70% unya sunsun ye bia wo mu se emu abisa wo mu enti wo mu na mu a no ma ba ye chronic no mo no te enu so unya sunsun so bia but wo mu wa acute wo benya sunsun so no wo mu ho bia wo ho be yo mo ya se do bia nya malaria pepepe ho be ye hye bia wo be do wo be ye weak aha kakra bi no omo eni so aye yellow jaundice no na ya na mpempepre no ma amanfo bebre de ba hospital so mani so ya yellow no na bia ya check ni ahu say hepatitis C but no aye be 30% pe ene benya sansunsan yeso no ba omo maka no ensunsan yeso bia eni ho na emo ano ebewo mu wo wo mu no na wo esa ibrabo no nkakra enti won be se na bedru baabi no na afa ibrabo no entimi nya adwuma bio enti se ibrabo no nya adwuma wani so be yellow wo so bete wona se betatai wo fu so be hye wo ye bibi kakra bia na wabre obi wo ha na ofi moja ebetimi affect your kidney to bones or kidney nentimi nya adwuma yie ebetimi affect o heart ana wa harawa no bones na intimi enya adwuma yie bagana ha de na ete hu so omo na ase atatai ana se omo fu ayekese samwa ya so betimi akoso cancer kokuram ewo brabo num intimo bebre beba no bones na omo fu ayekese wo bekwa akohwe no na bibi na afifiri brabo num na ma brabo na ye denden na eda wo moyam enti sansunsan so we pa na hepatitis C mu
no eba ya na wo behu ana se ebeche for how long asa na da no ho
no ebeche on se kokuram e koso a exatekete na afi ye kese obi o ha obenya ensunsan so se bibi nkoso yie no akwakoto adranum na ne ho ato no ne nam hosa enti bebre no bedru hospital na chese akwa achiri ansa no do beba hospital ni ehu se eye kokuram ba hepatitis C no de mostly no eno emma symptoms bia enti ze wan check dia unhu se ebi wo ho se wo gina symptoms no so nko ade a ene obeti wani no na ede wo
wow na edru ni ho na
edru de bi wo ho pa
na esro ho chesa edos ho ho pa na de na ye ma yedru no
se wo munnim
aha wo munnim no ma ho se anti se wu dia ye benya edru na no
sanete
okay
sanete
yo ochenya mbo ebeto aso enti wa won sa asam na yake ehu bia animu so wa hu dia ene de wo beko na se wo hunu na baji hu edru no mu a ona ati we timu hwe hu ye pa mani age nkomo we hu mididi ye se onso ani age hu fasedama endpoint homeopathic clinic and now what ye baby hospital bia oburu no akọ so akọ check say hepatitis B no ana C no ana A no say from A to E no ye nyina ye nkonko check number no 0244867068 ochna nkwa hoden wo ho akan ho de ntoaso
eti yeba munyina akwa babiem efa emra badwam so owo so ehwe Adom TV da se wagibre na wode etrasa it just go by efiama kwa tabaklo namte so de apomne ho komo ebre no ye Ghana manteti Ghana nwuma wodo a wote ye ache yeah eno aso mekeka we just boys na baro mo nya de bebre na nya de nya nwum bia no moto kasa ne mframa keke na mo de gu cassette so ene ye nya engineers papa sound engineers so me good enti so hwe mo enwum to no sound engineers na improve but lyrically improve ye said me kato so be pe bi no de arrive bibi keke kasa ne from ankwa de ehun bibi cassette so bi papa bi ani so ba wo tie the old days na asa no bi any every person can be man to empenifo asum you so ampa ono so chef but ananyum to already it move on from we say sa anyum to fo kuyum from we say ne no oboda anu Ghana musica the musical for mo manimre mo mrantel yes more engineers sound engineers is super so bohwere makra beat and be twice and work as I was say yes the sound engineers they are super na boys na lyrics na balance ndie time pa e be dia po de won komo be dia kwasensia eti era person dey kaka chiro say sika you know twagum star 281 hash select option 4 na dodo bia pe bia de twa ye the first draw ebe bro enche na ye hu ni pa over the first 1000 Ghana cedis second third draw and so ebe ba wa kwemu so I see Edua from Piwak Atnase a beautiful lady by our standard I see Edua what there
Nyamiadum
ye de nyamiase one ata friends na say wa fa hono pa Piwak to say
Nyamiadum bibi ekosoboko e wo Piwak aswe ye na so de anantofo ne de obo mechi pa no krasem na wo kan yete no ti a anwase great Mitchell
yes and then me entohwe setru bi adwena obi antimi nye high life no
sa pepe mi de
se wa adwenu am kebe se wa adwemu no a untimi nye high life
yeah baby e wo se wa adwemu do
ba pe so ye na ewe mu ye ne dia unya antisisi akosha atale sisi na ofa yellow sisi na okosha atale yellow en de be fa na obi de bita to ase no
se wa adwemu be don se wo hia apomodi a be gina na aso
yes ene so ho
wo hia dupa e ma wa ye active
yes
e ma wa adwenu be di wa adwenu hu dwuma ama wo na ama wo wesa obetimi e de egu paper so e de egu
aba Piwak no
sa pepe
moye
enti e de encha sonko fipe wak asre ye e de ma Adom TV ahwefo nyina na eni gipa so na mesade fipe wak e ba fi se na no ada memene da e na abasobode chinchirenchi ye West African traditional and alternative medical awards na ebo abasobode ye kese e de ma Piwak natural health 3P garlic mixture said the best herbal products of the year, the best herbal products of the year, and at 3P is so mu and yansam ketwa koda na we etre adwumaden ye na adwumasona people for ye no ne de e adupa on say yade eya sa wo yare na say adwuma bi kwa bedi wonsa awade na say position bi kwa bedi wonsa na say wo yo obi a watayare no fe a yitimi je position no edi efi wonsam but 3P garlic mixture de e adwo a immune booster se wonom a ema wo ye active because oba pa mo se liquid ewom but wo ye a wo se ye mfensuo mfra ye mfensi jason but liquid form na ye wo ensuo ni no eto anim no ye vitamin C na nipa bia so ye vitamin C ewo ye nipadua mu ye nipadua no timi create vitamin C emfa ma ye nya fi nwa no nuo ani fruit bi a ye di mu enti eno na Piwak natural health team of doctors fortunate mo say e wo say ye twe vitamin C egutu amu na vitamin C bitimi enya afi garlic eni nubna eni da odomakoma hama wode ama Africans for say ye use ne bitimi enya ebi edi afim adan na yemfa engutu afefefem ne mfa moa adasama na wo mu edigu mu ede mind say wo hwe 3P garlic mixture na say wonom a emma wo ye active emma nkomo na wo nipadua na se wo mogya ni mo ho ye den ekuta yebe bia eba be affect o ti so yo obi a wotanum 3p a wonta anka se me ho mfame ana se me nyare nso me ho mfame won se nkofo bu wo ha ye mo madwuma bi so mo nya mo oh ase ne dia ase me ho me nyare nso ase me nye fine me nye fit me ntiapo me pa cho se wotanum 3p garlic mixture wonta me kida complaints no because emma wo ye active emma ape bibi e dey eye ene sama o menstrual cycle no so ejina so we
oba obosumiso
ye ma no sa pepepe obu aba no dun bosome a obu no nsa na adane asem bebre na ya tetemi edwa no no ofie se be mpre edwa sa na wo se eja ne nan so onum 3p garlic mixture be ya ode ni nyina e de afri ho ama
efe ne be wan e de akwahye nyinsen
enya asem ketewa ene obi won so emma kra
obi de emma kra
emma onu so wonu ni menopause onu so awonyem ba ne menses na emma kra enye mo je se wo se besne ko so onum 3p garlic mixture be ya wonders e de ama Bema o menses ni nyina ba besene akopepe bubu nso de a eba dot nketen
eno eba ba nketen se ne wo se eba no
ema ne sa eba ne nketen unya 3p esa na ebe boa wo asane mogya ni nyina ama no apie abesene akọ asa siesio because ebe sie se ema na wo sa moti ase won se ho no wo se de bia no ahimfie ho ye kwate so onum 3p garlic mixture ebe siesie wo ame honom aye fine obu won so se ne widie mu eye ne ja
ba fa so bia na se ne wo kan se ebe siesie nye so omna kwa akọchita we enye ne wo kan
on se chitare no on se
wa bien ko bibi
ebe siesie wo no chitare no so ewo ho de but ebe
we be siesie
sa pepe ebe siesie we boost but chitare ne de wo da ne wonya on se wonya 2 points na ye double e de amount and obi won so na ne widie mu eye ne ja inflammation nintini mu atechema nti ama ne widie mu etutu bo wose eya asa me widie mu menam mi koto dwem sire me tu ase wo me tumro mu wono mo twetweme ne se wo eya untini mu no enna eho atechema so no 3p garlic mixture ye ntini ho adwuma ade bi akọ block e wo untini mu bia
ebe sane ne nyina mame kwa mouse na me Dr. Nurse ni kobo emra sese Dr. good morning
men ya mejo sano pay
when I say patch meaning say osmo mumie Dr. Line ye fam na mention and telling papa so Dr. me antiase di ntina o se enano pay enuro wodu a me wura pharmacy a eguo bebre no me san ne nyina na me fa piwak enkonom
menu ya me da se ma me fa kwen so na mentia wetifo nyina na se de obi sa ye no kwe o hwe kwan pa ene yetimetwetwe nnwanu ahodo na yede bo adasama enipa apomuden etini ewipe ya o hwe 3p garlic mixture no bibidro ba ko akroma yamfa nkija yanwa wo awutimi hu se ye wo nnwanu ahodo bi no wo ho a ebiti se anka abrobe anasa ebe kan se kwadu fruit no wo di keja pere na ho oden eden ekofom enu nso na ema vitamin C pa na vitamin C so dia wonum se eboa ma immune system no ewie prayer eboa ema nyarewa biankade ohabebreye no vitamin C ekun etia enti piwa for de eno mapa ye nananum jai to ho ma ye eye abibidro no ye ne se ye de ye mfankija ye noa eno na ebetumi aboa ma vitamin C awodo a ebetumi hia na ama yapomuden etinya wie prayer no yetimi atwetwen eno na ma 3p garlic mix ayo so unique say o hwe abibidro kaya awodwa so na hwe 3p a utimi 3p no eno no yamfa nkija ya no aye vitamin C no no na yi yamma ni pedua no ya twetwe ne direct aye natural aye organic a ebo ya pomudin
eti so se obi etie enano pay a die na onyina so mfa nkoto aye 3p garlic mixture ya obetimi anom for yade bia ana a treat specific yade bi
de be meka se vitamin C enipa bia wo tia se bia nya vitamin C e wo ni pedua no mo natural liver no entimi produce bi maye enti yenye bi efi eye fruit aye di mu wenti na impeding 14 of doctors are etinya bo ya homoden na yetinya ko twetwe sa vitamin C naturally every plant no mo enti obi bia nya vitamin C awo ni pedua mu na aboa ama apomuden etimi awie peye ama yen eno nti se wo yo obi a se bio obi a wo yo opemfo pe ena obeseke wo doctor advice ansa na wa ba 3p ho apart from opemfo no obi bia wo ye nipa wudidi na mo hom na koba no wo hia 3p garlic mixture ɛwɔ nipadua mu na aboa ama wapɔmuden atumi adwipewe ɛna nam so a ɛne Ghana wonim sɛ yɛka one of the best products a ɛwɔ kurom ha ɛne yi a na watumi ahu sɛ ɛyɛ 3P garlic mixture.
Yɛntɔ bi wei.
ɛnɛ wokɔ pharmacy herbal shops across the country baabi a wowɔ biara na wodeɛ wura drugstore chemical shops pharmacy wobɛnya 3P garlic mixture no bi atɔ amanaboa ama wapɔmuden ntumi bi pɛyɛ de ama wo.
But Dr. Bedasa do pɛ so agye brani atwe nkɔmmɔ.
Men so medasa ba menia edi kan etwa tokra no kan hu sɛ ɛnɛ ɛsan sɛ yɛdwuma di anyayɛ na aboa ama ɛnɛ sɛ Ghana for betumi anya bibidu kɔgye ɛfo tie sɛ pata no ɛnam so ama yanya one of the best herbal products of the year. Ɛyɛ yɛka the African Media Award a ɛkɔ so a ɛba no sɛ alternative and medical award na ɛnɛ piwa franya best herbal product of the year ne madia yɛtumi yɛ.
Ye mamu trinkwa amenka Dr. Prince Nelson penipo da piwak ano and I'm to send a trinkoma. It is so be a pebia toa number be no bit me afre a beer na shops a one no or any baby bit me a kunyebi.
In Tibia no pay obiati and sama ye can na ya DB dinya na wo pese when ya do ni be a no man who ton who san and con you must to me bonne bra 1 free yen 0248 9288 24 0248 9288 24 sesi ameka say wo betimi afre number we na ye beboa wo e na afen so sene ya edro no eye ni ntini se okọ herbal shop ene pharmacy shop bia ubenya bi ato komase for yenko Dani Herbal Colinac Herbal Criske Herbal ena tamalefo enko ofa Kwajo Herbal opposite Tamaletasi rank de ben electromat wa ena wa yenko mumuni away enterprise opposite wa cathedral wa kofowidua yenko Gapson Pharmacy de ben total 2 ena beno pharmacy takrade yenko Kyei Mensah ho Abel Sam ena afen so nkoko enko Isaac Drugstore anase Hillside Pharmacy asama for yenko Ekus Pharmacy Tema Community 5 Little George around PV oben run about one asa wokọ ho a wobenya bi ato na yenso ayepen do sopo etu akwa akoton yenso yenko Okanshi Angel Herbal Okanshi Angel Herbal yebenya bi etu akwa akoton ewo ho me sign the number no etu dwa yade ya entina ho ma yade eni wunya eduro na any 3P garlic mixture enti frey ewo 0248 92 88 24 0248 92 88 24 and 0201 00 00 21 0201 00 00 21 3P garlic mixture naturally organic.
Onamba kani oboy no.
Me number. Oh, yanko. Behind the scene ansem. Me number behind the scene.
Yes.
Pepe.
Yes. It's Piwak natural health for na mote sero mo etwe enkomadu papa de omo nche no wo mentra semfa nya akwadwiro enye ne meko ochina meto enne meto ema yade enko obi anu a oyare a wo obi ayare ne me ni nko ye yade ho tina be se show okono obi ya mo to pa de ayare ne ko eti pedu papa no mpiwafo nupa ne bi se ne be ya oho betimi atowom eti makacho se koso ne atwa *281# *281#. Select option 4. Na fatwagum sa share live draw no so bro. Ya da waba ya beto aso.
Awesome, congratulations to you. Ladies and gentlemen,
Enti ye the first draw bro to omo twagum numbers na euro sa no wo show TV ni so a wona twagum na omo numbers no euro sa no machine be peke baako ya no pay ya onya 1000 Ghana cedis ka se machine peke wa na drop you sika e de agu mobile money wallet ne so e de amount e peke wa 1000 Ghana cedis na accredited to account e de amount. So the numbers no na euro on your screen. eti wedi ka catch o the twagum second draw third draw ebeba first one and then the first winner eba betuja nipa onya first 1,000 Ghana cedis ne oba benya first 1,000 Ghana cedis and now pay na odi ato ne ho no eti numbers no euro rana euro say the many numbers na adropping our system no ebe baako numbers chow na adropping na no pay our system no ebe dropping baako se CA ebe dropping baako se CA baka just say ene on Badwam ye check 3,000 Ghana cedis 3,000 Ghana cedis adopay on Badwam free service comes at 925 ye check 3,000 Ghana so first 1,000 and na airdropping and na pay first 1,000 and na airdropping 80 ye count ye call yeah, the first draw no extra. So why and they win the first 1,000? Why and they win the first 1,000? Okay, 0555 331 dash 0555 331 dash. Yeah, Frauti Pacho. Uni mu number. My number is. As I don't say your number. Uni number 80 ya froze see 80 bacho my phone number the first person who winning on Badwam sika aya 0555 331 dash 0555 331 dash uhwe Badwam agi information uhwe Badwam agi we no na wo se hwe Badwam so asa Jessica unyan ba bia uhwe Badwam information wo ho education wo ho entertainment wo ho wasanya cash asa de ato obotom 0555 331 dash macho si enya na mamne ne kasa na alpa yehwe yesedesimi etie na scanner drop 1,000 drop we na ma na to san a drop it koda da sana we etie we nya afa na wo fa card ya ma na obi no dia ba besia na meba na kwanso na de bi hia na mesi me di shame na me bedro bata bre kasa tintin bi anim we wini ya na drop it at account we wini ya na drop it at account we na drop into account me hwanu mu a tell there be am here interest as part so betwa ya fa number wa register for mobile money why o number ya wa drop it for mobile money and how the ebeye so the be ya we ni ebetimi a drop it into account eti patcho banya wi na no ahwan so betimi na kasa Sarah osmosis patcho aba na me ne kasa na misa patcho ma phone man why we need 1,000 Ghana cedis why we need 1,000 Ghana cedis na utwa no utwa so wa reshem so obedi ampa wadi anopai pa wadi anopai wadi eti eche besa at the second draw asa de abro ene before say assembly ka ebe end na the second draw ebe bro eti koso na twagum obi anya first 1,000 okọ eti patcho de yin ho ana so koso etwagum na oso etimi edisa the third draw be ye abro ma hene kwabra sa 10 pence mu ebe na wie no eso etimi awini last 1,000 Ghana cedis so assembly ka ka cho enye ba akofo na be obe ba akofo betimi awini 3,000 nipa mi aso obi betimi win 1,000 nipa mi no obi akwa betimi win 2,000 ba akwa win 1,000 eti eja kum sa obi atwa you know the twa *281 hash select option 4 na de twa sa ba akwa betwa bia 5 Ghana cedis ba akwa betwa bia 5 Ghana cedis eti ere anwa ba eba to me say kai say assemnica and ya another live draw eso ebebro Badwam die eba isi
Ghana busumi Adom TV ya jato ya hudu de ya ba kyerɛkyerɛ wan nkronkro onye brɔno bi a oni tin bombo ne yei oyen manimu eba nkrana brɔno bi wɔ hɔ a amanfo bon bubuashi na mmom itin ankasanyi bubiashi onye bubuashi
ene nso eye eda eye Ghana month na bosum we mu opani se okoso hwe Adom TV a enhira be ye wodea wo hwe ahaban ya ekuta mi ya we eya ahaban efe no wagashi ahaban obi wo a diabetes tini mojem diabetes na eye glucose enipa bia ne nuane a wudi nyina no se duane ne ko nipadwem a brebo no make sure se ebe sone so na won soro nketwa no so asone de enye no so e de afla toilet so amaw se de be ya efin biara ebe ko nipadwem no enkoka wo mu enti se nipaduane duane na wadi no papa ni nyina aboa no kogu pancreas ma ye fe ni glucose enti glucose ne de ebe convert glucose na ama nipaduane ama na nya energy no enu na ye insulin a onipaduane be produce enti obi a ne insulin no entimi produce more na wanya diabetes no ahaban we ene ye de esa we ye wagashi ahaban so obi wo diabetes a opani de hiane se obete ahaban ne baako na what beye baako bia no wotena wotata so be mienu miensa kra na se wo de hye wo shoe mu a hye no wo right side na hye no wo left side nso wo de wo nan siso a bomodin se obenoa ahaban na nkasa bi no abomodin se wo de mango na bena no o wai mango abena na wo de egu ahaban we so wo de gusu na se wo de akakedro ka wa no anoa se wo noa na se wo nom ka baako anapa baako nwumre ebra ahaban kro na ebi hye wo mpabom no opani diabetes no uhu de beye de abonwa se atese hwim na diabetes no efi so ko na won so hu ayeden atom so obi wo diabetes na etete no na diabetes na eha no diabetes na egu anim ase no de ehia no se obepa haban we fagu mpabom yimiensa na o de egu left side no yimiensa na o de egu right side afene no haban no why mango abana faka ho na fa akeke drogu so wonno a nom ne tika baako anapa na nom ne tika baako enwumre diabetes na ete mogemu na etete wo no wodi ahaban ni bi hye mpabom na wonum bia akledi nyina efiwo so ema wo nso wodi aseda ama ochedi amponyankopon na menkan wi no me sa che mo a mo wo etwo ka ne henia no wo mo wo atwo nyina nso ahaban kro ya onse eso ababi aba na eso ni ba kunu nie eso etise sebi etise nipa hwewa de wo mu ni obi wo no wotumi se sebi o ho ana ohun se bibia be ho bebi ana hwewa no wo no ayaka se henia no eno ane se wo be yam sa haban wi se wo yam ana de akakedo kakra to so eni se wo be sa wo sa ne 2 days a opani henia na abehye ho ayeke nkwe no eno so eyifiri okra we ya chede a mede achem aka diabetes ne eho Dr. Magashi yewo kumase mazi makro akra ye kaswa prison junction takrade ya pawan kejebri government school techima eye hensa omo mo bogoso nyina ye bogoso power line ene me ensua de na ayalesa ebe ye odia ebia wo hia me number ne 0547 044307 0547 044307 erade empire so na omwaw na wonso hu ento yeda mu nyina
straight up still in the Ghana month but I sticky la finally akata ni akabum ene me call northern region arguably one of the largest regions we have in Ghana meeting at a sister Sunday a guy was more Kyei wonum nipa wujina so.
When sa Sunday no. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sunday be a guy.
And the more fine cheme.
We a guy.
No, of course, and me ya semit nyai I can be easy or for. Nye kasa itimi didi agro. Nye kasa utimi fiane so. Na de me kaya ya tamalika wula. Yakoye tigo first as at 2013. And only idea. Mekaya aside no pan die gise bia na me ba house amudi asanu kare oho na de dazwa me keche but ni e ka wo say enye nod na bia na ye muslim eya na nko for perception say nod na bia no eye muslim but na enye sa na tie o muslim kwa wa santin kremoni ade eni enko nof me ento nof kakra na hwese na me ho ayefi Ghana manti me hwen a me teyiro de we ye Miller GH MYLLA_GH or Instagram TikTok melagie cho person ye photo shoot be and our program we person dress it traditional way bomodin ahwehwe mela wait that one
When you start singing, where do you oh you guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Every mistake is a new style. All of what? I mean, he me honchra. Nade. Once I have so go me come I change. Oh, was for moments my guys. Baby, where mammy adope. Hey. No, for what in kuto fiba. No. In kuto. Open original in kuto angasangaza. Saying no far. Nessa ye hono candle na ama wa anisa. Millet. Enuane e free ho. Enye aduane ketwa. Na artist akuku dampi na ne free north. Eba. Na ye kan duku ye nye twidi. Na men sure no fufu asa kakra hwe. We ka bai na uhimu sisi. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Eni wenya no fa aduane bi te se chioza afi bi eni wenya hausa koko na wenya bi te se kwenkwen eni odofo who ye say what say afi yanton northern region they have one of the best universities our Ghana UDS na before beto where UDS near beto imeboa her school no enei obitimi ko school no den say born bo hwe me ko UDS pride of the North. Yen hwe homra, hwe school, mu akono. Original university, and also beko UDS. Yen hwe university ya.
This video is sponsored by you subscribing to the channel. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Na ye can dear no hu niema de bebre ne betumi aka na make obi ma ho fama ne Mela GH yenkọ anyomtofo akukudama efri north obi o had nenyom sakra ba nim so free north shikina chai yesterday evening time can I so ba a proud Nordnak your friend who came of the north are you so ba take a kana car young queen of the north one woman one wotimi wuhie ko ba de wuhie assessments wo ji wa home sherifa gunu pe any artist o free Ghana or wuhie 3 days otimi call stadium kobo show power of a northern woman. There is this particular lady or selling north, in fact, or selling Ghana as a whole. She's a proud product from the north. Wani a Ghana biggest exports. Okay, home exports kesiya pa Riyala, oh lioness of Africa. There is this particular guy. Oh, you're very good artistically, talent-wise. But my realize say, or dominating more or no for them. And I pay Mama Kwenya na me introduce you to you, the one and only guy. One guy who me fill the whole stadium. I am a Casio. Great guy by all standards. Yeah, we are now. Check him out. The Bondsman is a talent. I will know. And I pay them here that Gomba girl. Na yeah can a brand here back where Nordna. I will know in crying hand or tear. Just on any girl who social media, sweet apple boy Teflon. Or more Germany. Say no Unima. Teflon Flex is a northern guy. Madina. And a woho. Bobshi, Konof. Wildlife Guardia, Busso. What I say? In 0302 211 70124. Can also more be phone lines, Mammy Anthony Pami and from the north, and Opay Casa no Ebi. Birthday wishes, Richmond. Fahu Kime Wahana Janko. Yay, in fact, Richmond so say happy birthday to Joel, Nana, or say UK Coventry. I can't hear any. Or say cousin. Hey, I cry a guy. Just say we are simple. Happy birthday, yo, my G. Wagwan, bro. Wagwan, what's up? You good, innit? Happy birthday, Joel. Nana, or say we're UK Coventry. I don't know if I got it right, but I mean, sure. Wait for Richmond. Happy birthday, Rosalind Josephine, over Tama Community 5 Railway Quarters. May the heavens smile on you. Bernard, MGL. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho, Udini baby, our friend me free.
Pacho, me Abi. The first is
okay, now we are not now. Pacho, maintain me TV so M1. We are for Franny. Okay. It is Ofa Friday in the same. Oh, it's TV so you're free. So hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Dixon, I hear friend me friend of pay. Okay, now you're not now.
There business na de ho aye fedo.
Ai.
Ene je du ku
itu. Du ku ndia facha me obende. Na onodi name ya day. Hello Dixon. Oh, Dixon, I'm my last caller. And happy birthday to the special person. Papito. from aunties and uncles. Oh, my baby. Oh, what's more? Give it up for my baby boy. Oh, baby. That's my baby. Happy birthday, boy. And when you're 3 years, Papi, Kwame Gaius. Now they, I mean, show. When you feel doom, quite doom. To 2 and I'm on CG. Yeah, that was my baby. I mean, you know, mommy loves you, right? From grandma, grandpa, aunties and uncles, everybody, all your rich aunties and then you what's it? I mean, ensure happy birthday, baby. Me from last caller, right? Hi, good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Obaya, na ehina from me friend opay.
Me pacha me kasa free pandai.
Okay, na Obaya you not now.
Me pacha.
Na Obaya we know the name your day.
Me pacha me kasa pandai.
Obaya we know the name your day.
Me pacha.
We know the name your day.
Me pacha friend aja sake.
Yeah. Baby.
Aja sake. Aja sake.
All right, now, Pacha, no, I try saying. Me boy, I say with you. Pacha, me why?
Hello.
I try say with you. I try say ninja. I say.
I try say Aboagye nana.
I just have Aboagye. Oh, wow! I see. Okay, that's nice. Now, what about your casa ni be? I just say, I can't say.
Ko amani.
Baby.
Ko amani.
Yo. Yeah, but that's.
Me no me cut nankam okay. Me say that.
Oh, let me say network, you know. Me share that antenna in Kyei. Yeah, for your last caller. Now I'm on share. But I ain't tell me TV this one. I'm in town. Kawaii. Hi, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacha, we didn't baby our me free.
Me kasa free offense.
Okay, now we are not now.
The woman.
Okay, now Pacha, we da go mba name your day.
The woman is so yini.
What are we saying?
So yini.
So yili.
So yini.
So hili.
So yini.
Now Pacha, try saying.
Akuma kro.
Akuma kro.
Akuma sa like one heart.
Wow, that's deep. Now, child, can't say be a saying. I can't say.
It is a de wula.
Wula.
De wula.
De wula. It's me katamaleka wula. I know me child.
Kama wula ya how to say it is saying.
Okay.
And I'm not saying.
Oh, okay. I see. Wow. Thank you. I know pay your baby. But I see say ofray. And I hope say Western baby from the north. One with some of the northern artists. What or UDS campus. If you are thinking of going to school over there, store the school and go. This great guy from the north, meet me in Powam, me in Fichano. Pitora Nebano. Pitora Nebano. The Pito Celestin is now a global artist. And guess what? He's a proud northern boy. Samene. Nidine kwano, okwano for most such as Samene. Okwanofa Nidino. That's what I heard. I don't know how true are. It's about most Nidino, a Samene. Yeah, no, I can know for free, bisa. But I say industry, no, and why no Samini, Ufi North Nayampa, me back Friday, my young when I use the Yampan Swamo Fanche, Sana, yet say, Samini, way, take me away. Oh, I love this guy. I love Northerners. I guess or Northern girls are so beautiful. Northern girls, they are so minama. I don't go for him semi free no. Now I'm home Northern girls are beautiful. Me the best same time Friday. I have come home for.
Asemi yidika. Inna beka. Akwasi insia. Commander 6. Kano said it here.
Second live draw now ready ana. Second live draw no. Okay, I ready ti. Mua mutwa gu no munyini muana mutwa. Eye star 281 hash. Star 281 hash option 4. Twagum sa usmadi kama obi anya first 1000. Anopa ye mi be wi asem de kan ye obi be say another 1000. No mine the last 1000 na ba be so. say no pay 3,000 Ghana cedis. Eti you don't want to twa star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Utwa ba ko bia 5 Ghana cedis. Ti twagumisa. Eye dani a utwa 10 a ba ko be fa na de. Utwa 10 say 50 Ghana. 40,000 Ghana cedis. Utwa 10 a 1,000 50 Ghana. What about 1,000 Ghana cedis? Chanesa. Twagum. Lady, ye na ye kwa fom no twa na de gya ho. Obeba na ato akokɔ. Asemi de kabreni. Baba cho asemi de kadi to dia. Me di mikrofo ye hia. Enra me no share kobo bi ase about river gas your maba as part of ways they fighting against illegal mining. Oh yeah my emo. Na every time come here dear about galamsey. Medical catch of them say aban se san ya pe na NDC for kopam MPP for no magic galamsey site aboso. And then na metene oko galamsey site majority members here NDC it for omone two e tune say vim de ko. And until the minister Bekato said, we are giving you a date to come and chase after you. Yeah, that is gathered for you. You see, Okono nyakoketwa. Okono gradually say a bro omen so. The fight against illegal mining, no. Amana baba say a bro yen nyina so free a man penny ebesi kotoko the least person or maimu. Fere galamse kono yaji ye nyina yensem. Etina no say as part of the way say met me fight galamse no atim PMMC. When you sabe je fe usufu ani hwe honom. The number of goats yeah small scale miners e de bram samonto no. Mumu sam so munya no way o masase ne say they produce. Near say galamse for the enka ho a. Because galamse for the etu ayeto. Galamse for God no mutu yeto. Wa mo neto aban to bi. Etu omo wo hiri nyina de fast small scale miners for them. Ni aton de ama PMMC. Because yenim concession bia ye de ama obi a wo small scale mining. And then prepare yenim the amount of gold abetimi atu at a certain period. Etimi akwesi ama 25 square meters. Number accounting more than 25 square meter gold produce. And the man that's also who told the film in Kenya. Now also can we be na galamse de koso. Because me na kwesi me ye my friend tell kwaji galamse ni di o. And I me told them because I don't want to be me yin meton. Ti wo me ka to onom. So when you first you encourage almost mo koso e ye no mo ye no so. E ka ho bi. And then so saying Yemfudia saying to even to the extent class and no Ghana Armed Forces more or money is so me call the fight against galamse rather so me call peacekeeping. Cause call galamse nim. Okoba akoba asase na kan ni na so betimi ato no oto. No bom you know they atwadu ayi lenten. To be best and the third one was see the fear wie galamse. They are compromising ahemfo. No, I'm still not penny because some of the ahemfo they be so as the minister for local government also yeah. I start to be corrected though. Say ahemfo be acting say no 2-4 no. Say ohini obefa kwati kwa so abua support galamse no. Ye 2-4 na ahemfo ni bia no. Because the same thing and another dan kwa kufuado. As if some man penny then. Etu sana mona na ko 2-4 etu no so na ni bredi gu. Ne appointees so the various assemblies maybe kyekoye ni more because a DC no not for example konangudi ya ni etu galamse e ma medu ka akwami na DC da so to office so the dey be Kenya ne say o ko fight be against galamse so no one compromise ne ho a Se man penny ye din dia and you find me say ne akonko ye nyina ne ekọ. So president another task ahead of you. Also the MMDC sir. Almost at China nyama. We are waiting for it. Let me show how well at these MMDCs will play a role in ensuring that Galamsey you two at least by the end of your 4 years, you are making progress. But you say, let's ban all forms of small scale miners. Say, I be paying because you are not party for nature. We are the near fetch them. Now, I say, and Penfibu and who pay Piasaco bottom. Let's ban all forms of small scale and Omboa. Some Penifone yodum. Let's ban all forms of small scale miners. Or one day we are quite to Macaco. Now, boys, no good alliances, no, ya you to be dear from some. Et Omboa. Any road be ability to banning any form of small scale mining piano and Penifone church or move your pump boys never require him no matter for Kofaco. The willpower. The willpower. It is so began and penny for what trust and would do a maya brucia. It's ya we shamo. Besides, so many questions CMTA, let him crack what China. I saw you the good China for a gatamu. And let's say you see Capenti. See Capenti. The put a near Punasunia. Nan you see, because of any son abato. And you are trying to soon in your say, as you would say, Yaduma. Yet you could do some level answer. She. Who better the sense way I be Biamanaye? Who better the sense way I be Biamanaye? No party ni tibon koso so na adwen sabi as adwen bia na netim no onya 20 Ghana wa wi no ne pani be ye bia wo support anye me ha o meya ye ka wasam party full soldiers be brena ka obi na panifo no etimi take decision papa because ne be ye be bom panifo na chere ye come da for how long they bet na the time save? How long? We are be election. Every before the big bomb. Sabani fele against the fight against Galamsey. On be bomb. Na Ghana for jira so ni atuaba na sa MPP o se wan yo no so ba na fo fresh akwata no so dia bomb eti asem na da hodo no ye mpelpo mesibre na asem da ho sa na so na ni hono na kwai ne esen. And now you can't. So politicizing the fight against Galamsey, and yet, Missy Binyat someone craft will present us in be. Yeah, now Bansi say I want to be Casano. Minya be. Minya will present us now. Now Sabrina and people want almost fighting or because against Galamsey, and now Bansi I want to be Casano. Minya be. What to say some munoso? To some all because of your political power. Me can't now say, Movie and Yasi and the Yaman yourself no, now some that all no, I want yourself yes ye. Now, Quabrana who's not submitted 37 yet demonstration against a Galamsey. And I got 37 going Galamsey a demonstration. And I got 37. Now, we are a demonstration at Galamsey. Ye Cassas me a man for tea, and the young was your politics, and the 2 of them. A day. Now, I'm seeing pie, but all the mining regions here, Galamsey as well, and so when you're doing. They are chili penny pound near me moja, as well as some yard jino, I get you. Sam said, now I am the central region, so why I didn't. A camp like a mess of Simwa, not pipe crab, our central region. You be sheer BB. A camp like a western region, 1 year, not consume. Maybe one of it me are working your spirit to say, yeah, da. voice. So I'm saying demonstration be another monko. Galamse do twetwa. Na kwa brand TV don't say, I'm penny is serious. Within 1 week bet me a fight Galamse. 3 months in ye. You fighting. Let's deal with the issue now. How minor. Nipa boni for any me asem. Party fu so just na trobia no mani abro maka sebe. Omunya bi so nie o. Omunya bi ni. But because say we ye MPP ni tin na ka MPP ni wasem ye by hook or crook. So atiasio so antiasio also defend no. So ye NDC ni na ka NDC asem ye by hook or crook. Also come defend the NDC. So atiasio so antiasio. Now say ni pawe ye ma vote side ka kwato aba o man na aboka because untimi nwen on your own. You can't think on your own. Tinana make us o man you bia no say man krata kwato aba o. I'm telling you. In fulfillment of obi o se fata so beto aba o ye memu no ye di mra ni nyina so apart from saying a mind. Sebi abodam for chow ni we voters register so they are unable to think omom yes say na na ko to about e do so papa we mu nyina to abayi pani na be no man ni hunama ni say na da ko fo nyina to aba se be koso de galamsey no aye politician yen koso na menim se de Ghana waterfo aka ne one day be dru ho ye be kransu na hwese obenya bia no ma wo nam no kasa hwese nsoro benya bia no ma tino ye NDC tino ye MPP na hwese nsoro benya bia no ma ye kan de ya agodie no umpanfo ne yokoduo omukọ tina na make a say stop hyping and crofua. You can't call them for help. Stop hyping and crofua. You can't pick your phone and call them for help. To be what Jimmy said, so a central won't be crammed for a minister. I say, yes, Miss Nefer was a buano. Your mind, say, fair quiet young upon the MFFF. Your money pub bonny for be free 1 man would do a sick cabbage and be a cheat. I said the crew moon yes a gold in the hole. But in penny first woman in Yan Senna, Yan or Hadam, he had the other and was Sunday Mabbe Guanum, and would tune fragam deco. And I sat time hunty. And I nominate a Sabajan feeding Kumara was sent. She had the gold chain, the extractive sector, which the gold, diamond, too. Most of the big mining companies in Naya Amanone Ejuma. Nina Yamanoni Ejuma. Now, so we ensure when the top gold, no, or mere 61 companies, and would 10 penny Ghana for the other Kenyan on the 4. Near to 1 year, so I do so. Yantoso. Why? Yan Yan Ghana. Yan more, yan 22 Jubilee House. Yan two Jubilee House, and yana, or go to or said a good Nasita Ghana be a day, a bell, young could 2 penny crime floor near to Jubilee House. I can't just have to pay me 2,000 Ghana cedis. It's Sarah said the next draw now ready ahead. Yes. It's the second draw no sooner air corner. But of course the first one I'm here, no me catch us a first winner, your friend and then your friend Yano. Now hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, 1,000 aba.
Apo, na me say intro. First, imagine me be a ma. And a pen na me ye na e buy.
Oh, 1,000 Ghana. Ever see CFA. Now what was saying?
Sika chane di.
Now what you say how did he?
Me 35 cedis.
Eh, BDA you. Wow, a sort of problem of you.
But I say
problem ben 1,000 baba solving no pay.
Oh, and I pay the weekend na me ban home fan
oh.
Me the be ba sort out na ye the be check ya 1 or 2 bi.
Na o ifa now.
But I'm more pokwase mayela.
Oh, okay. And then no where them.
Me won say no kranti e be ko fie cha.
Cha. You don't na catch na ko for am so ntwa why.
That
would try. Era say ti. Your first winner, I don't know. Sam catch we nye intro. But I'm saying penny say wo twa ya for mobile money number no. It twa because udi ya na accredit o. We nya afi de call post office, akọ posti. Ya mfa nko VIP, mfa nko mabas. Na aba be yes na meba na kwan so na de utwa ya udi ya na dem ti second draw no so na ekọ no numbers na euro saa no eti the next one enso hodom the next one man hine kwabra sante eba be wiem pense what then so beto so e de amount so the next one no enso so eti yakọ one winning bam 0246 123 dash on the winning 0246 123 hey number there hey one no hey asa bi ni mpakro 620 be kan odi na sa 4 sempen for the jire twa bi we pani bi pa na bi ni number 620 be kan odi na Ewo di oye Erade Abraham we. Okay, eti yenya nana. Okay, say ya mami ono so ekasada musa ne say also the atomu ana. Consider twa star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Select option 4. Ne twagum sa. Ba ku bi abetwa bi 5 Ghana cedis. Ba ku bi abetwa bi 5 Ghana cedis. Chasa obi atwa 5 Ghana e dey benya 1000 cedis to so twagum okay menya the next winner no airlines. Hello, good morning. On sa ka 1000 cedis no
me bajo afena me be message you
check it check my so sa ka why ya if na wo hello where you phone na so o check ni your phone na so Julia check it. Wo brema. Check it. Ni ewu sampa atom. Kwa de sa na ye no. Udi ya na atom na.
Hello.
Atom.
Me bachaba.
Atom. Yeah. Na you say.
Hello.
Who you say?
Me bacho me try 5 cities no me try different be for.
80 20 Ghana na dey 1000.
Bacho say
20 Ghana na dey 1000 no. Oh wait. Okay, say free.
We dey mahafo.
Okay. Hey, half. And then you know why? You know let's say another one.
Yeah, me that's it.
Me that's it. Try another one. 80 consider star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Option 4. On my be bound the last draw. It ya 2000 aka last 1000. Consider twagum. Na discover dey akwasi in your mind kwabla santina be ya for crowd. Edi pese mu etwa so asemi edika makram.
Well, I saw that we now say that question so as sister Sandy be a guy there will be so much in the sun come with by Kejua and afi wrap up on the last segment on the show. Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV show, and as part of our Africa Ghana month rather this time we are the northern region and celebrating and that's why we see near Samini so bo the jom kama we say good morning once again and welcome hi Badwam on Adom TV multi TV show. Well, if you are celebrating your birthday today, it's a happy birthday Shunko and I'm Demao. A happy birthday. And Masaka also said akwasinsia pachadie kejua achadie. Before I wrap up on the show, that's before 9:25, adia meso mechadie sika unim say what you're doing is that you are dialing star 281 hash option 4 now fi washase na ucha inti 5 cities ticket be 5 cities it is always ka I would be trying which make 20 30 40 50 60 sana oko iwe ya before I'm upon na the winner no we are interacting 1000 Ghana cedi wodia with the ketwa ebeje kese that's sika anti kosuna tra star 281 hash what me the abrain it me the jumaso kodi about the former deputy minister energy no could just second year How do you kind of say kuni nana? Aha. I feel no fancy for musicians, you know. Oh, can say kuni. Yeah, because my say I didn't know. Yeah, former member of parliament for a year second. Wow. I was having saying. Honorable Kwaba.
Yamuni being
Afishapa.
Afin Komotia.
Yes,
Papa.
The last time I met you, I was only Obi. Na mo ham so gidigidi am say. Dem padisi. Obi enyi mo na dem padisi. So them parties they are in power. So far.
Yeah, one.
Bibia na mekwazo.
Oh, abeda na bibia na mnokondo. Minchia tsefo. Wenyambra wo hwe na de pay. Nkanka ahwefo wo sekuri.
Yeah.
Wapembre wo hwe. Mafi ondodo. Bedwum viewers na offencham. Baba ache.
Yeah.
Sisiano mbra ba bia menti ebohe. Going forward, most able to now interact.
So maybe I'll start with this. What's happening with your ministry, in terms of Kanya Doomsona says? What's happening?
Oh, I'm Ministry of Energy long before Zana.
Oh, but clearly, so
tourism.
But clearly, you spent a reasonable time. Now, name the air cost system. Now we are faced with a challenger. In Ashanti region, the sector minister admits.
Yen energy sector problems here is go. Oh, brother. Sika. Tinana Duranko Akufo-Addo prioritize funding for an energy sector. Oba banim na kawa out the hall. Eda no say budget reading na so.
Why?
What's worry current negotiate.
Exactly, they are going to renegotiate.
Agreements one or something.
And
if you know we will
maybe one back on say lapses so I didn't tell so
I will with your eyes open. A quick at no I can negotiate power purchase agreements. Who successor government obey. Try to negotiate with them. When you're successful, our buyers are called renegotiate. Look, the cost of those transactions are Mr. Mahama Naban Waye. Say analysis in they should never get anywhere close to government. But Ghana Fair can be I want to on again. Here, $1.7 billion debt now on the whole, ring fenced on the whole. And so on a recurring bills or urban. 35% of that is excess capacity. Let's see.
Are you still saying this?
But it's fact. And now more it's a matter of fact. There was sufficient enough generation. We have installed generation capacity in the region of some 5,300 or so.
So that's why when you say we have sufficient enough.
Oh yes, Sikala. Mekenanta.
So doom so is Sika.
Oh, yeah. About our generation. But generation no nanka so ntum efri no ginawa no nso. O here input. Gas mainly. Gas no nso na gas ni ho a you buy liquid fuel. My monitor space now men say there major maintenance be a record in any of the generating plants. By reason of that, no, we declare unavailability. Man say, ma banfufuru be okay chere any day. West African gas pipeline for now why scheduled maintenance day, and it's not unusual. I'm Minister of Energy. I'm the chair committee. Yeah, assess the gas to power value chain na actors all in na ya share. Year no program may be our then you to me share alternative for if obini maintenance schedule be impact availability of electricity. Ye program in now. So it was something that every year. Now last year and because of the election cycle, no, you know what the situation now. November, December, let's say Sika no wanya available.
eboko a home. Until you postpone it. We do it all the time. And see, more by catching hand, Ban will make a provision for alternative fuel to power the plants when West African gas pipeline for walk off. Would defer it to January. And to what Ben will negotiate my West African gas pipeline for we defer by 1 month to enable them buy fuel. What's it? What to fuel? And when I was it. This is what to fuel and why we not getting power.
So there's something wrong somewhere.
Mr. Esika. Do. It's as simple as that. Of course, yen excess capacity component no year by year they are reduced. Also, the demand will grow. Mama can answer. Every year, consumption is increasing. Until whatever excess beer will be an overshrink. Until that's why ask for one plant, right? One term no expire. Nana do dan kwaku for do na ban on you want negotiate then look. Essence of plants here that way. By 2028, yen program ye wono. Or trade ye be here additional capacity. In Simum no, rather than they able more take or pay 400%. Yen more yen renew contract no. Mum no yen contract 40% guaranteed dispatch. So that at least the burden on the state for now till 2028 will reduce. But in preparation for future generation demand.
But that's not the picture the sector minister is painting. That's not the picture he's painting.
Mr. Chairman, I was a Aboagye, in the fullness of time. I had taken a certain position. I mean, the MPP got abandoned. Opposition are taking a certain position. Aban for Friday, I'm an kwan. More to Nzamei. After all, Obama appoint the ministers. Obey evaluate handing over notes where the shortfalls are, where issues were. Now we prepare. Now we provide solutions. In Siyambo, some honeymoon period. Typically 100 days. Yero Mahama no ye ndisifu wope nyansa kono bido we increasing by another 20. Who grant them that? 120 days. Na say wo shares out to kwem no. Na ye hude wie na ye expect delivery right from the very beginning ne entum embohu akwana. Ana ya aba full attack. Except that, budgety, state of the nation. If you listen to the kinds of things working, narrative are well set. Because it is obvious that managing an economy is easy. They know. One promises or what that promise Ghana for. They know they can't meet it.
They've started.
Oh, brother. Now, how many promises now, mate? Even on the economic promises, 230 something.
Academic
one manifesto, one budget,
Sikanisha.
Now we make allocations in the body of the budget. Echo appendices are
different story.
Different story. Honestly, it's a debate on the floor. The budget lacks credibility. Manipulation of data. Just to paint the Akufo-Addo government black is what they are doing.
How do you manipulate when even your finance minister, minister admits that?
That what?
The 5.7, clearly it was there. 5.7. So the economy was good as against their projection of 4.1.
In the computation of the overall balance on the primary balance. And they say, need debate on the floor. As a formula, what they calculate the primary balance in the same 2025 budget too. And my neighbor send that money will project. They apply two formulas. Man, I'm control. One for the year end 2024. I will include a certain line item. Uncleared, unreleased claims. And now in the 2025 budget, no, they took it out. Osande, if you put in the so-called unreleased claims, now a calculate what primary balance now, you'll be in deficit. To justify the narrative of Mr. Mahama or set it out in the state of the nation that the economy was criminally managed. Now I'm a fool baby someone awesome. Or baby someone. And see, I don't see where they are going, but hey, Ghana phone ya to Obama one. Oh, and then hey, yes, I mean, I wish them well. Sunday. Oh no, in all honesty, I'm not in the nature of bastardizing government and wishing that they fail. After all, why? Nana Akufo-Addo or implementing free SHS, but it is even suspected that there were beneficiaries of Grab to Abama Nana Akufo-Addo. Anna,
that's correct.
So it is not the case that Abano also see that or don't lose election.
It has always been the case.
So, Bawumia, do your best. Na Ghana on kodenim. On in the MPPM Babane mubiem. 80,000 years cry baba. And see, I don't believe it there. Oh, Aban don't fail. Anaka can someone you na for Aban no do. The Fajitum. Neba.
Abo.
I sincerely wish the NDC well. And I want to win you, when you want in common. Why you say we are supporting you? Why? They are the government. Oh, you know, yeah. I mean, I win. I've been your own façon.
Right.
No doubt at all.
Well, before I talk for I want to say, power is good.
I mean, he's good, yes. Because
power is sweet.
Power is sweet. Power is good. It comes with responsibility.
But you don't forget that power is transient, is that correct?
No, I mean, that is true. And that's why it comes with responsibility.
And you also remind yourself that no condition is permanent.
Absolutely. And that is why the MPP is where they are today. And so no condition can ever be permanent when it comes to politics.
So you have those reminders to yourself?
I mean, and positions are not possession in politics. And so it is not your making. Somebody put you there. And the person can pick you out of the place anytime at all. So it's important for you to do your things the way you're supposed to do it.
That's so sweet. It puts me in a bit of a confused mind when we have all this understanding, but we act contrary to the understanding and the belief that you're talking about.
That is what we call human nature. That is what we call human nature. And it is with everybody, you know. And so it depends on how you manage yourself. Depends on how matured you are, how you take things, you know, and how you balance yourself, remind yourself every day that, hey, I mean, elections will be held every 4 years, and the people of Ghana have the responsibility to take, you know, decisions to put you there or to get you out of the place you are now. And so it's important that you always remind yourself that. And that's what it is. There's no two ways about that.
I see. You know? So Bawumia, how do we say, then you have to walk me through what really transpired in Parliament yesterday in relation to our Interior Minister and his explanation to Yenua Bema, the Honorable Kumi issue. What was it that?
See, these are Mamini can share one year, and then when traffic near so much, I live on the spin text.
But you have the liberty to use a motto, a dispatch person to lead you on.
I mean, no.
Mamoye.
You see,
what is the no for?
I don't engage in profligacy myself. I don't. And I have a different style altogether, you know. And the modesty that is shown by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you know, it's part of me.
The issue about illegitimate idea who you should.
No, it's not legitimate idea. If all of us would have to take sirens and be blowing around because we are late to radio stations and television stations, you can imagine the kind of noise I've ever
created. But you're making the noise.
But I am not. I'm not sure you've heard that Von D is doing anything like that. No. So that's me. You're speaking to me, you know. So, I mean, we can talk about it going forward. I don't think that's what we want to talk about now.
At all.
Thank you. I think that a court of competent jurisdiction made a decision. A decision where there is another body of government that is responsible for ensuring that decision that court now, you know, is carried out. And that decision was ensured by that body, I believe the police, to ensure said the decision of the court. And I give you a typical example. There is this lady, you are trying in absential. You pass judgment. I think it's got to do with Maslock issue, no? It is not the court. Ankasana best sorry. Said your friend said Dinam.
I think so.
I don't know whether the name is said Dinam. Viewers should forgive me actually. You know, and get caught now, Ankasa. But you see, there is an agent which is the police, the national security, the Yoko, what have you, who must ensure, say, judgment in a court now, mano, is actually carried out. Otherwise, if an armed robber is being sentenced to jail, it is not the court bailiffs and the court judge who will go and ensure, say, the person is taken truly to jail, he's been ensured and all that. It is the prison services and all that. And if the court has made a statement, a pronouncement, a judgment, which of course must be carried out, you expect the institutions to work. Again, I cannot justify why the institution must not work or should work. I mean, with the greatest of respect.
Well, my members are these are ordinary questions and harmless questions. So, since when did our interior ministers obey that authority to mandate a BNI and Kochini?
You see, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in his own wisdom, you know, most of the ministries have been synchronized. And the interior minister is the one having responsibility over national security as I speak to you now. And so I think that it's within his jurisdiction to answer those questions. Again, I cannot vouch for what he should say or not to say. I think that he will be the best person to answer. But I believe that he is responsible. Right. Yes, of course. I mean, he is responsible for.
Don't forget the agenda is resetting Ghana. So if we are practicing or still doing the old things,
I think that on my His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, and they said,
Debbie, let's not go.
And I'm going to go there.
Let's not go there. We are saying that.
Resetting this country.
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly.
The Emaya Tia say, and no more be a atosia, uncle ye, our mind canco, and an impuntu.
Yes.
So soon binding the yono.
Yes.
Yen to mean so be.
Exactly.
And to me, Busau says,
exactly.
Okay, say, okay, and who said, what is such a ya?
Exactly.
Exactly. Your mother done, I say, you know, again,
but that's, and then I may bet you must say, in a very, you know, anything I made that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, listen, okay, we are truly resetting this economy and this country. So okay, brother, vigilante for pump security officers were Kumasi trip upon from near there. What has changed? I am saying that we are not using vigilantes today. We are using state institutions to carry out their job.
Hold on. If you do this,
do you understand my point?
Hold on.
Hold on. You want me to answer the question and I will.
You cannot go scot-free under the pretense of resetting and then you are doing the point I'm making. Let me give you 5 reasons why you have to look at your reset.
No, the point I'm making is that, listen, you will give me the opportunity.
Those who visited Kumasi National Sports Authority with guns, broad daylight, to walk people out of the office. Those who just went to Roman Ridge, public service workers, and pasted office of the president that they should move out with the next 8 hours. Those who are still at the Galamsey site are your members.
Hold on.
What is the resetting?
Hold on.
Don't use that reset under the pretext that you are resetting.
You would allow me to talk with the greatest of respect.
But you are talking something that is not healthy for us.
Prior to the election, okay, I could shout you and all that, you know, but now I am in government. So let me talk.
The fact that you are in government doesn't mean that you cannot shout to me.
No, I won't do that.
Because you are relaxed.
No, I won't do that.
There's everything at your disposal.
No, I won't do that because I have a responsibility to deliver. I have a responsibility to deliver. So I don't have to do that. Listen. Yes, there are some accepts. But quickly, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama issued a statement that all those things must stop. And I think, sir, you don't see it escalating. You don't. I am saying to you that now the national security is working. The police is working. We are not using party vigilante, getting people out of their houses and their offices and all that. If one of two...
Jakpa is who?
If
who
one...
Jakpa? Who is Jakpa?
If one of these two things had happened, I am saying that the commander-in-chief of the armed forces issued a statement getting all these people to stop what they are doing. And that is fine. That's a good sign. We're setting this. But you see, one will say you can't run away from the fact that there will be 1 or 2 packet issues that one would have to deal with. But it is the decision and the style of the leader that you want to say, be a cost or an cost. But you see, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has actually issued a statement to that effect. And I believe, say, Abrasi, in a more, comparatively, a very better way.
Maybe mission with members of parliament is in their line of duty, matters about arrest and all those things. What transpired? Are you okay with it?
You see, I was a member of parliament. I remember TMU.
It's a matter of just saying a yes or... You see, that's why...
You see, I remember...
Hold on.
I remember...
Hold on. Before we progress on this country's development, and principles should be key. If we continue to dance around issues of this sort, don't forget that somebody just sat here to say, even if it's 1,000 years...
They will also come.
To power.
There will be a reprisal attack.
So you'll be here and then you expect me to talk for you.
No, the point is that, what you're doing a good job because that's your job. And that what you're doing is to continuously probe people who in government. I remember I was a member of parliament in my first term when I was invited to the police station. I mean, I didn't say because I was a member of parliament I was not going to go. I was a member of parliament when I was invited to the police station. I was a member of parliament when I was prosecuted. Okay, I was a member of parliament. But when I knew that I was legitimate, I knew that I was not wrong for whatever businesses that I carried out legitimately, I won the case. Okay, so if you feel that you are genuine and then everything is okay and all that, go to court, prove yourself. And so that's all about it.
It's about the processes.
And to the process,
we've all sat here to condemn the approach by the New Patriotic Party, then in power, and our intelligence unit, the arrest of Ibinim Chachuchi Kata Monedi Kata. Hold on. Now, this is somebody who gets to his constituency as a member of parliament, discharging his duties because of the Muslim society and their fasting period. And here we are having 4 pickups with over 13 NIB officials for an individual's arrest.
Looking for Ernesto. Ernest is in the same.
Part of the
Ernest is in the same committee with me. So I mean, I'm very good with him. I think so. I was speaking to him the last time. I said, look, and you must say, Eba, you just have to be careful how you manage and all that. As a person, he's a good gentleman, and I like him as a person. But it's your man. You know, ni ashishiri or my, ani ashishemra, semra ni yejuma. Say, who persemra ni yejuma? Nya so me persemra ni yejuma. I think so my brother would have done himself a very good service. So if he managed these situations a little better. Okay. Other than that, I don't have any other thing to say.
No problem.
About it. I pray that the security services will use the law to work. Not because power had changed. Okay. Until the law must change. I don't go with that.
Okay. All right.
I think that they are doing...
That's a good insight. And I'm happy that...
I'm sure
this is a part of it. This topic is a part of it.
Yeah, it's true.
It makes you uncomfortable or what?
No. I'm very comfortable with it. Very comfortable dealing with it. Right. So, I must be very comfortable dealing with any matter at all.
Honorable Mensah, Ababa.
Mutu ko brajeji de mu pamijeji ni pie. Brono mo na mo power. Ya chi wa mo amako twetwe ska kiti ama wa.
Wo se question metna o. Wadaruma. Ekasio.
Bejai.
You want if you
me ye free o. Na me ye free no man ye.
Me free.
O man ye.
Mo ko tua sika ma for.
No me ye free. I don't have evidence. Me ye free.
Mo ye is expound and as
you have to expound that from the record, eh? Right. But it will go into the Hansard.
Because
of
the MPP a man of the year NDC4.
We are not assuming that they were happening.
No, not a problem. It was condemned.
Well, your party took a position.
Oh, it was condemned.
Your party took a position.
Why? Vigilantes, our car attack court, no, the party did not take a position.
No.
The party supported it.
Yes.
I can say, Metsna, a pede show, no, yen share that.
Yeah, I shut
Yen
up.
set the ground rules no clearly. Mr. Masumani, put him when you were talking, I was watching
when
you.
I was in opposition. Eh?
Please.
Easy.
Please. Please. Why? I want to work out tackle court no. Eh, na yan condemn them action no. Government they were not prosecuted. Look, since when? Thankfully, I'm a lawyer. Even though mention that criminal practice, but criminal procedure minimum kakra. Of course, I know court nanka zone to man can enforce the decisions, especially when it comes to arrest. In fact, almost civil judgment now, our AS successful party no, how not they take steps to enforce the judgment of the court. Court so issue bench warrant. National Intelligence Bureau no arrest.
But you're a lawyer, you should be telling me.
It's the police. So why would the Minister for Interior direct National Intelligence to go and arrest or seek to enforce the bench warrant that has been issued by the court? Also, when institutions of state and when you are the institution of state are responsible for enforcing court judgments on your handy. Or Ghana Police Service, another National Intelligence Bureau. It's abuse of power. This is typical. Yeah? I'm a muntu amaso me friend that's wrong is wrong. Right is right. This thing are OC on ye. Tie kan yen kan no kware no. Muntaka maso e menyanku da ma also esikumi oye wonyanku. Now tell him to his face that Mr. Minister, please. Yeah, there were excesses under Akufo-Addo's government. Why not? A human institution. The excesses were condemned. People were sanctioned. Now where's Saberi set and also the same thing now? Kwekwesiama was attacked in his house. Oslo Usu was attacked. Only resetting now. Only resetting now. But yeah, you need short memory. That Short Memory Association of Ghana that. And Mr. Muhammad cannot be painted as some angel.
Reformist.
Massa.
Reformist.
Okay, Mr. O.
Lessons very much learned in
Lessons
Mahama
very
1.
much learned.
In Mahama 1.
When it became necessary that we use a private jet on state functions, the members will hold a press conference. Statements will issue. Questions will be said or parliament. Or by the brother and the private plane. No do to come across the country.
Maybe ours was not available.
Brother. The plane has been refitted. It's been delivered. Obey your way use. We use the brother and the plane on his first official travels. People complain. And then that I'm a plane or the course alone. I'm a plane. It's a complaint. No, brother, no, the way. Jata, watch on Jata. Now I have social media pictures now.
Are you sure about that?
Man, I'm a catcher la. And that.
But what you should Ghana, do you know?
Miss, we use after the first official visit or you see Jata. And people raise issues that but we have a plane. Also, never done the one to Yakao. Hey, it's a petrol aviation phone or free. Landing charges in Mr. Ibrahim Mahmoud Yama brother. In his capacity as what? And then he resorted to the presidential jet. Yesterday, when he was going to Sierra Leone, he took Jata again. It's a reform now, I reform and only Hinden.
Okay, so Mr.
Mr. Reform and I want to reform it. Reform and only Hinden.
Okay, so Mr. Bauso. So you
yeah, politics, yeah, they be a macau. Or the same script too. Same script.
Different
actors.
Okay. So you have been in the tourism ministry
before.
So
brother.
You know. Yeah,
but it will be good.
Yeah, crossover. Ghana man, you're going to crossover.
There. You draw useful lessons.
Okay, so you end well. But my main count said *281#. Sika. Don't worry. But you crossover. Then we see Ghana man's they almost prepare for us. Now, Mulan so I'm
Sika, no, on champion me.
Medindi na Adole Fredericks. Ene yabe ye sa ye freno kokoro ana adunde ana achupipi. Ye ebro ayanyam. Eye wakple ebro. Ye wa ye sugar, ye salt. Ye wa ye margarine, ye nutmeg, ye oil. Any ye nsuo. Ewuru nsa na ansa wo be enti sese aye di ye ebro no begu ye pan ne mu na wo de salt aka ho na sugar no so aka ho na ebeye de nutmeg no kakra bi aka se ne ebeye nwam ewi ayensuo ni just a little to make it to say we cocoa. Into ube mixi we bro ni nyama nyina wo de aka no. E be so ye jana ye di esiso. Ube ka so e be bin.
Well, yasabe that mo ina mase to common so one say my main cow say University of Gold Coast one catch say omni joy business akambom to nsafro say leadership conversation bi baso. Nyame admo on the 22nd of March in Koma Global Leadership and Corporate Governance Strategies for Sustainable Business Growth. Onipa Okasa Ujmedi Kasiasiasina, Ira Sam Jonah, a renowned business leader and a statesman. On the 29th as well, Omidin Komo, 29th of March, on Global Leadership, Nafi, Onosa Atwatwa, Nipa Obakasa Nosono. Honorable Shelaya Kobochi, Secretary General of the Commonwealth, Onsbaba Kasa, El Gold Coast Hall, Accra Business School, and Opano Konopepe. If you want to be part of this, registration is still ongoing. For 0260 500444 and also call www.ugc.edu.gh/event. Now, what team you want to be part of this great exercise. And then, as we're wrapping up, we'll be telling you the winner for the last slot. Ayesika by Tikosuna Daily. *281# option 4. Tickets be 5 Ghana cedi. You are winning big this morning. What we knew of Kejua, what we knew of Kosinsia, you are winning big. A year and pensimo. Makacho, the Ghana month. Over Yenya Bano, so Oguso preparation to hit TV. Make us a Lugusu and Adrian kama. But back to studio, Nimyan for our representative Pifu Atimo Kwa, era Nimyan for Vondi, Lawyer Mensah, former Deputy Minister Energy, Minister Tourism, former Member of Parliament, Sekunde, with the Osebuzu, with the Semiache Obi, Sekunde, Sekunde. So we just wrap up with your last bit comments, no? Then maybe we can. You were talking about how Interior Minister, no, Nana Montuni, contrary to their resetting, and then my issue about the reformist attitude that is John Gaba.
Oh, it's like
but
I was
this
saying.
plain matter, we need to get explanation because maybe there's a challenge with say the model call Paris for about 6 months a bar back. There could be a challenge.
And one indicator there. Playing the problem. I mean, I don't think the president of Ghana or not fly commercial.
That's your position.
Absolutely. Ankatina Airport, 4 hours. Or transiter, Wakatina Amsterdam, another 6 hours. That's waste of Ghana's time. And if he has to charter in the event, then plane on your available. Say so and go ahead and do it. Why not? That's my belief. And I want to call it that Nana Danko Akufo-Addo is living some extravagance. We don't know the value of executive time. But of course, it was all political propaganda. Because Mr. Mahama, the current president, used to the plane now. I'm not convinced that they are not paying for it. I'm not convinced.
They should come clean.
I am not convinced that they are not paying for it. I'm not convinced. Hey, the plane or a car?
That's a car.
Oh, I'm not convinced. There will certainly be cost associated with the use of the aircraft.
Maybe the cost is being borne by the brother. That's a big deal.
Hey, no, the charity also.
Anemia. The safety.
Na security crown doesn't
breach of security.
It doesn't. It doesn't. Inti nyamempengu so ko na bibi kesia. May God forbid. Then what? You can be someone.
Okay, so Von.
Yeah. President or asset of the state.
It is that one. It's a fact.
Or the property of the Republic of Ghana.
Oh my. Mr. You see, I remember when Afenyo Marking suggested there, see hospital ma parliament, na see parliament chamber for free. And I'm the leaders not into temptation. In America say, just about a few months ago, ya bo Akufo-Addo nature the man this for. Or a charter plane, or Osajiku Hanodo, no ye day, and there suggested that your mama, a charter plane.
Lead us not into temptation.
Don't lead us into temptation.
That's exactly what he's doing.
Lead us not into temptation. Let us be comfortable with our brother's own for now.
For now, as he is, he's doing it.
Let's be comfortable with our brother's own for now.
Remember, for me, you were there, or you see the brother and the flight, no win.
Yeah.
That's what you some poor. Meaning arrangement home.
Okay.
Again, no one will use hypocrisy. But so use some poor. Meaning arrangement home. But to say that Uncle Chata flighting lead us not into temptation. Intended the Mamma Fan to hypocrisy. Boss, I think cry. Me parent the home commander or Kahoni home.
Yeah.
More the Adwasafo, ne revelations or ye.
Yeah.
Now, Mamma Panama there. So you're no queer.
Which of them now come?
There, year to 11 na ban, na onyimra shebogum. When the year to 11 na ban, year past the 11 decision, and that she never regrets her decision not to be part of it. So you no corridor Kenya. We need her to talk more. Or Sunday, at the time in Parliament. The NDC were 137. The MPP was 137. They had one independent candidate, not that he would do business with them in taking decision. So they were 138 in Parliament. When a motion is being voted upon, now said the motion gets same vote.
137,
137, 137. The motion is deemed to be lost. Ain't it so you there on Cajon. Nasa the Marty Wabay Ram Wajij and Crawford one scar there. There is some level of fraud. I sense some fraud. Number 2, one an address it don't know. No bet nam Rashaba Gumu. Nende Yipananka Soraka there, and no Yim Rashaba Gumu.
But that's not what
I think that she should talk more.
But come again, because
she would have to talk more.
Maybe we will play back because Mr. Demti and say, Kyei Mensah Bonsu dispatch, and be in free traffic, and a bar, even though he didn't believe in what was being done.
You can't give vivid account about somebody more than the person himself or herself. The amateur say, all those accounts, we all heard it.
Okay.
But Nipana, some fun. And
don't forget, was being passed. Don't
forget. Hold on. Yes, hold on. Hold on. Ajua Safo or your lawyer. I've worked with her in the same committee. Ajua Safo, your lawyer. When you meet her, she's a very nice gentleman. Let's
dwell on what you
think. So we can't say said your car, you know. I mean, I can't doubt
you heard it.
Oh God. And some of the papers even reported it. Okay. So the point I'm making to you is say, Ajua must talk again. Ajua must be talking more. Say ya no kure, say na Ajua ni ho. Then one thing is a nipa no obet na ho no. Yaka was a media mwaka. Sa nipa no ye hwana. Number 2, inti numbers ben wo munya ya, wo mutimi di passi E11 no. 2 questions must be answered. People must start going to court to take their money from the government of Akufo-Addo for using fraud to take their money.
From Ghana's government, not from the
government. To take their money. Internal, look, this is a very huge issue. And let us not just sweep it under the carpet because we're building a country. We are building a country. You see what you are doing? We are building a country. We are building a country for tomorrow, not only today. What you are saying?
Wow.
And internal, I think that my sister must continue talking. And let's hear her well. Because I sense some element in that.
Okay, so Vaughn.
I feel some element in that.
Honorable Mensah, in fact, but you're okay. If that is the case, you were there then.
Mente who? Hwinim.
Now you put nakasa wa kana sa se hwinim. Oh, my brother.
Na ekase metna how.
When you put no ya ask me if no ya me yo. I was in that minute no ya me yo. Na I can then. I can then.
Okay, so you have power.
Now program now you have
no,
tell me
you have power.
You have more power.
Relax.
And your relax. But I just issue must be carefully looked at. I'm serious about it.
Missy mente who? Look, I do mate. Meaning we are law school. And it's unfortunate if say Okade she abstained from the E-levy vote.
And that she didn't regret.
Yes, she said she didn't regret. But there was a head count. Vote that was taken on the day. Head count. All those in favor. If I had division. We all went out. What was it? Head count.
EMPP. Charlie.
So they counted
smart
138 against 137. One kada no ni chamber ho. Into them smoke screen na air to out there. No be fufu no chamber ho no. It's neither here nor there. Also, she abstained and she doesn't regret from abstaining. That's what she said. Please.
She didn't believe in that.
What are you talking about?
No. Yeah, but what are you saying? The person abstained from the decision. But we and the person is talking himself and you saying that what?
Join news.
That's an English language.
Abstaining.
I say I don't regret abstaining from e-levy vote.
Okay, so quickly, Emma,
what does this mean?
No, Obi the host here. No, my proper you understand of what happened. Aaron, Obi, lawyer, good morning.
Morning.
Oh, just a quick one. Help us. I know I just for Safo. Brilliant interview, but fallout libini say na okase na onye present ebraye to above for e-levy who send seminar now.
Oh no, okase na oye. In fact, I asked him that question specifically. What has created the confusion is the mostly interview na ye chat short videos na ya share on in social media platforms. the video you try and come around 11, you know, did not include my specific question to her whether she was present herself on the day of the voting. In Tibia, you try and no call viral did not include that question. In Moamoye Active was Empire FM page, you know, you realize that we said another video and then specifically on that question whether she was present in Parliament on that fateful day.
Okay, so that's it. That's probably what you want. That's it. Okay, grateful. Thank you so much, Lawyer Osebus.
That's all.
So,
propaganda.
Oh, there be baby or share.
Oh, propaganda. But is it true? Is it true that she abstained from the decision? But you can be in Parliament and be in your office. But the person is saying that she abstained from the decision. Is it true that the person was abstained from the decision? Is it true, Dr. Kane? Did she say it?
No, she said it.
So I am saying to you that the person said she was not part of taking the decision. He was part of it. When the person said she was not part of it, would you know Adwasa for more than Adwasa for herself?
But we have to interrogate what she said.
The fact that you are in Parliament, Parliament is a big
relative to the
it doesn't mean we're part of taking the decision.
Oh,
Massa.
But the person who posted
I've been in Parliament. I've been in Parliament, okay? I've been in Parliament. Okay. I've been in my office. Many things were done. Of course,
Please, let's not do that. Let's not do that.
It's unfortunate that Adwa Bakade she abstained.
Yeah.
So you are worried just as I'm also worried.
Because the fact.
Yeah,
a lot of people didn't believe it.
Yeah.
But the fact is that on the day of the vote, then you respond present.
Okay, so so it
cannot be.
All right. Okay. Oh, so that's Adole. Adule. Wow. Now, Sika time is up. Chat Nedi star 281 hash. Option 4. Yako 1, 2. And 3. Okay. So 0244 239 star. So we not need to because see 0244 239 star. So just wrap up for us whilst we are waiting for the winner.
It's rather unfortunate because I'm in a more chamber on that day.
Yeah.
I just was there.
That's what I say. That's what no chamber.
Oh no,
I'm in the I smell the elephant. The elephant running around. I smell it.
And you know what transpired.
Maybe you and also no smacks. Oh yeah, was said.
Now do I see?
Oh yeah, was said. Oh yeah, was said.
She has said that she was
there. Clarify us in the decision on count. That I mean, but no, oh yeah, was said. Okay. That's all.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for your time. Vondi Honorable, thank you so much. Who is the winner? One I mean Sika man and another pay. Oh, Sika. One Akotonosi. Yes, cool. One Akotonosi. Let us know whilst we are waiting. MBY, formerly of Capital Radio. Nana Boachi Adom. Yekase. Papa that form. So, hello. Yes, sir. Hey, Mawaninji, Anna, if I'm not shouting to me. Yes. You're from saying.
I'm Daniel.
Daniel, do you try how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
I'm saying 6 times.
6? Wow. 6 years, 30 cities, you have 1,000 cities. Wow. Yeah, do you better?
Oh. Me kana me da kunyum me nyi nam so me nkabihwe.
What da kunyum onyi ni se o za can say what jedi?
My jedi.
All right. So NRCP continue to be part of the Sika family.
Oh my God, I will host the bed and then you
thank you so much for being part. You better also about Bribia that you are guaranteed just that many honorables when they are cut here from Sikos Canum and you're part of it. Thank you once again. It's been another great day and great program. Also, at Dawasi Peace, we have something special for you. Be careful and be patriotic. Bye bye.
Actually, we'll show you time now.
Ghana Busumi, Adom TV, ya jatu yangu today. Ya riba chira wan nkrom onye bronu bia. Wonitin wombo ni yei oyen manimu. Eba nkrana bronu bi wo ha amanfo bon ubuashi. Na mmom nitin ankasanyi bubiashi. Onye bubuashi.
Yeah, ban a hip life. When you said, you go for Jessica, one by kind, Missy Medical kind. Gonna for which you the new flavor haba. Be a superpower, and you see my power. Or rap for, gonna rap soft for me, 20 set or book for. Be a boy. It's a fair day, we can't play. Which you make a boca check, make a boca, this is all you look at. And remember, I'm going to have a better than a botopa. And come on, let's do a rocket, such a December suka. First run, mail down, James Bryan, Apple good. La, rap, we're doing champion, bitch, I'm the crown, but we said we are Bafana, or Brafo Bisa, Puna, Samadana, Ganamaya, Quadra Savage, Jumbo Tata, a wow, it's here, oh yeah.